Okay, I'm live now, twin. Hello, A the Ant. Meow, meow, meow.
Oh,
To
dude.
you as well.
Top 10 things that didn't happen. It didn't go live on Twitch. Hold up.
That's
It's fine.
extremely awkward.
It's
but
fine. I can just make it go live on Twitch.
It's
We're
fine.
good. What is today's date? The 30th. Software and game development. Okay. I pushed up the op changes, by the way. I think I said that already.
Okay.
See
Yeah, I'll
you.
pull those in just a second. Let me join this stream together. But yeah, looking at. Oh, I can hear you. Can hear you.
Someone has a stream open
think-
somewhere.
Oh, I have the stream open on
Yeah.
my.
hmm
Here we go. I accidentally left it open. I was popping out the chat and left it open. Silly me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, looking at like the analytics and stuff for the shorts and like which ones did well and which ones didn't. The number one thing is definitely just like how long you can get people to watch for.
Yeah, I mean, that's just the whole thing with shorts. Is
Yeah.
stealing people's attention for enough time.
Yeah. So basically making something that's short, and I think it's better to make something that's short and gets people to stay for the whole time rather than making something that's long and getting them to stay for like half of it.
Mm-hmm.
So like if I make a short that's like 5 or 10 seconds long, trying to get them to stay for at least like 7 to 8 seconds.
5 to 10 seconds long, get them to stay for 7 to 8. Yeah. If it's 5 seconds long, get them to stay like an extra couple.
Or like 6 or
seconds.
7.
6 or 7. Wait a minute.
Yeah, 6 or 7. Did I say the wrong order? I'm dumb. But whatever.
So
But I think I accidentally did a really good job of that with the Salmon Storm because like it takes a second for it to like show up on screen, so you have to wait.
let me take a look.
Meow. Worm backwards. Meow. So true.
Meow.
Oh, that was awkward.
So I think what
Very
we'll
weird
do
sounding meow.
really
My
quickly,
bad.
I want to look at this list of things. I think
The list.
the multiple levels works. So this is
Wait.
definitely going in this section. Or it works with for quotes.
Work.
Do I move Chop and Money away, or do I leave Chop and Money where it is? I don't know. Hello. Hello, Liberty. I must be live in
Can you
order
turn
to
on
start
share
stream
chat, by the
together.
way?
Yeah, I am. Twitch. I literally am live currently. Right? Master Liberty's talking in chat, which makes me think that I am. Oh, there we go. Can I share it now? No? Must be live in order to... Brother. Check out this software and give them a moment stream from 2 minutes ago. Did it die? I don't understand. Am I not live on Twitch anymore?
Rip.
Oh, I guess I'm not. I'm live on YouTube, right? I didn't like accidentally close everything. Fuck it, yeah,
That would be kind of awkward.
Yeah, do it again, man. I don't really care. Whatever. Yeah, you got it. OBS. I believe in you. I shouldn't, but I do.
Do I need to rejoin the stream together?
Probably not. I just need to figure out why the fuck
I'm
it's
still not.
telling me that I'm not live.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
probably
it looks like I'm
helpful.
live now. Okay, there we go. Hello, Liberty. Sorry.
we go.
I don't know what
Look
the
at
hell was up with that. Why are you dropping beans all over the fucking place? Insane. Okay.
crazy.
So the...
Mm-hmm.
Is that Lucky? Dude, I know you.
Is that Lucky?
Lucky.
I know you.
Do you actually know Lucky?
Lucky, yes. Well, I don't know him personally.
Well, I
but
don't know him
watch his
personally
videos
either.
all the time.
Yeah. You did the series on like all the different nodes and
The
things in
goat.
Godot, right?
He's like so cool.
That'd be so embarrassing if that was the wrong person, but I'm fairly certain it was.
No, that's the right one. That's the right one.
Yeah.
Of course, it's the right one.
Yeah, I know you. The goat. Let's see. So we have about a week for our deadline for this. So I think I'm gonna move Shop and Money
Yes.
back because I ended up doing the level
Mhm.
stuff first. However, there's the enemy variations that we wanted to knock out. Did you had a list of
Mhm.
these, right? In here.
Yeah.
Did any of this need code from
They
me?
were just like really fast ideas.
Okay.
Do any of for what?
For anything in here. What needs code?
Anything.
Any of these like that we want to do for this
I
month?
mean,
What needs
probably
code?
all of it needs code, but what needs code from you is a different question. Let's see. The enemies if you want to maybe help with, because those are probably like the scariest for me.
Sure.
The rest I can probably figure out some of, and then just like ask, hey, how conceptually should I do this?
I see.
Because most of these I can probably practically do. I'll just need to like ask.
Okay, yeah. I can
Like,
do
high level implementation stuff. The enemies just like scare me because I don't know why.
I get it. So do we have the designs for these guys already? Like, what do we want these to behave as?
Like the art.
Art
I
and
can
also
find
just like behavior. So like the spider. I'm assuming this is gonna be like the spider from the original Playtime.
My
Game
idea
Jam?
was, he would shoot like bouncing fireballs and like Mario fireballs.
Okay. So
But
he's a
that was
spider.
just like an initial idea.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shoots.
So he like hops around and then shoots like little fireballs. Unless you have better ideas, because the issue is if we just do him just like before, he would be pretty much the same as the slime, where he just like hops and deals damage, which
Fair
I
enough,
don't
yeah.
want. So like that, the attack can be basically whatever. If you think of a different idea,
yeah.
I just don't want it to be the same as the slime.
What if he was a guy that tried to like run away? Like a little bit. Like he tried to keep distance from the player.
Yeah, maybe. Or he could shoot like arcing bullets, like kind of like mortars.
I see.
That kind of go like up and over.
Like Sylvanos's neutral special from Rivals of Aether 1.
Yeah, I know what that is, definitely.
Flying guy with laser, I'm assuming is going to be similar to the flying fire projectile guy, the fire bat.
Yes.
Except that he's going to shoot a laser. What's the laser going to be?
What color do you think should be laser? Like the laser pointer probably.
Oh, it's going to be basically the same as the laser pointer.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think it's going to like sweep the well? Do you think he's going to like wind it up and like shoot it in a spot or?
Yeah, I think just like a quick pulse. I think him like holding it down would be a little bit powerful.
Okay.
So not like the
Yep.
What is
the
it? What's
holster?
The beholster. That's what it is. I was gonna say beholster, but that didn't sound right for some reason.
So what is
But
ground
yes,
guy
like
with projectiles, by the way? What's the difference between him and Spider?
That's like the regular ground guy, but he shoots some kind of projectile. I have no clue. That was just like a really fast idea.
Okay.
So maybe he could.
I also would like to maybe, if we have time, I would like to fix a few things about the current ground guy. Like indicators. I don't know how we want to indicate he's about to attack. What are we thinking on that?
Yeah.
Because we have the indicators.
I think his attack might need a little work just in general.
We could do something similar that I did with the worm, actually, where it like shoots out like a little pulse.
Maybe I like the idea of having them all kind of be all on a cohesive kind of style, so they kind of combine together.
Okay, that's fair.
Spider leaves sticky webs that slow the player. Yeah, we could make it like the Gungeon spider, where it like has like webs.
Oh god.
But that would also be kind of complicated.
Oh, I don't have this bookmarked. Oh my god. Platformer pathfinding. Do we have that? Does anyone have that bookmarked by chance? Because I would like to do that. Possible. I think it might be this video.
Pathfinding pain.
Yeah.
That scares me.
Sounds like a pain to me
Our
too.
Northern Lion hasn't responded to my post.
What do you mean Northern Lion hasn't responded? Why the fuck would he?
I posted on Twitter.
Did you like? How did you post it?
I said at Northern Lion.
Okay, he's not gonna see it then.
Twin.
Yeah, you fucked up.
I know.
Do you know why you fucked up?
That's the joke. No, because I didn't post it on Blue Sky.
No, actually.
I'm joking.
I don't know how to explain this, but from what I've seen, people have actually talked about this. If you start a post with an @ it just will not be seen by anybody. So a lot of people will do a period space and then @ which is so fucking weird, and I don't get it.
So dumb.
Yeah.
Salmon Storm buff when?
Hello, Elvin.
Salmon Storm's already goated.
How you doing? Salmon Storm does not need a buff. Salmon Storm is broken as fuck.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay, I wanted to look at this video that I pulled up this one. So what this guy's doing is creating like a pathfinding thing for Godot.
Oh, I think I remember seeing this
Yeah,
video.
someone sent this in my chat a while back. But effectively they just place, I don't know if he's gonna show the grid points now. It's basically just like a bunch of points scattered where things can go. Oh, there it was. See? It did that. Which allows things to kind of pathfind up to where they need to go. I don't know how that's going to work.
Yeah.
I'm very interested in this, though. So I'm going to watch this a little bit. And then I'm probably going to adapt some of it.
The cells that we're using.
Okay.
Actually, if it's not, then we want to...
I'm trying to think which enemies would be best for the different variants. I'm thinking maybe like the blue one for this beam, but I'm not sure. Also, now that I'm thinking about it, do we want all enemy attacks to be the same color?
Preferably something distinct from player attacks, yeah.
So
Yeah.
New scene. I'm just gonna call it face. It's gonna be.
I think I was initially thinking the enemy attack would be like the color of the enemy themselves, but that's probably not a good idea.
And you want to set the position, which is gonna be the above cell, and then.
I don't think this would work well in Dante's 9, but for games with a cat player character, love an enemy with a laser pointer that makes the player move toward the attack. That would be really funny. But yeah, that would probably be a little difficult to do.
So, and then we also need initial cells. Okay, so if we match is we forgot to set it as a child.
Ooh, or if we wanted to, instead of the ground guy, we could do the worm variant that I thought of, where he like teleports around.
The worm variant you thought of where he teleports around?
Yeah, so the idea for it was a bookworm where he teleports out of a book and it'll be in the library area. So like the book like opens up and he comes out of it and then like he goes into another book and then will like pop up in different places.
Ah, I see.
So it kind of like masks it off the other end of the book as he like goes into it.
Yeah.
What are the idea structures for enemy variants? I don't know. That's what we're trying to figure out.
The idea structures for enemy variants, at least from what I understand, is going to be something like we would just want like the same general idea of the enemy, so that you know that this guy's going to be someone who's flying around and shooting, but like maybe their attack specifically is different. Like for the flying fire guy, instead of him shooting like the burst of 3, maybe he shoots like a continuous stream of like slower but like continuous for a few seconds, or maybe he shoots the laser, things like that, or like the ground enemy who instead of doing like a slash maybe does like a dash or something, like something that meaningfully changes them in like a very relatively quick to understand way. And then like the actual like enemy, the full enemy ideas would be like, this is just like new behavior. This is like someone who you see, like the worm and the ground guy and the flying guy are all 3 different distinct enemies. I don't think we have enemy variants currently, do we?
No.
I guess like the spider and the ground guy were kind of enemy variants in a way. Because they would just like slash whenever they get close to you, but...
I mean, yeah, but that was just more because I was lazy and didn't make them very different.
Carry 8 enemy attack patterns would fit this game well. Absolutely agree. That's why our first boss is a giant worm. This guy has never even played Terraria, by the way. So...
that is not true.
Okay, well, you haven't played it far.
Just not very much.
What was the last boss you got to?
I'm trying to remember now. I know I beat
I can list
the
them off.
eyeball thing.
Yeah, I can list them in order if you want.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure.
So, like from like maybe not easiest to latest, but like usual progressions, like Eye of Cthulhu, Skeletron.
Beat that one.
That's the guy at the dungeon.
Beat that one.
Were you a Corruption or Crimson World? Was your like evil biome purple
Crimson.
or okay, it was red.
Crimson.
Then the Brain of Cthulhu.
I beat that one.
I imagine you didn't beat the Queen Bee. She's kind of like a side grade, not like mainline boss.
Don't think so. I think
Okay.
I found where that was. I don't think I beat her.
Fuck, what the hell is after that? Oh my god. Is it really?
I beat
it's not just
the
Wall of Flesh, right?
No, I beat the whatever army
Old
thing,
One's army, yeah, that's like a
guy
little
with
different.
Yeah. I beat that one.
Yeah. Want One's army.
That's probably I think that's probably where I like didn't know where to go from there.
Yeah. Oh, I mean, I can tell you the. You want to know the progression after that?
What?
You dig to hell, all the way down, and then you go to the underworld. Did you make it to the underworld?
No. Oh, yes.
Okay. When you're in the underworld, there are these demons that fly around that have like dolls in their hands. Specifically, there are ones with dolls. And if you take that doll and throw it into lava, it will kill the guide and spawn the Wall of Flesh.
Yeah,
which is like
figured that out.
That's like the major boss progression of like now your world goes from regular to hard mode. So it like changes the rest of your world.
That one out.
Yeah, it's a little
interesting.
A
little interesting. Will there be any underwater mechanics?
God, I hope not.
No.
Yeah, actually, we're gonna have levels where the top of the level is exposed to air and everything else is underwater, and you have to go up and like breathe air every few seconds.
No, please no. Water damages you, yeah.
What is this? What are we doing? I actually don't 100% understand. I mean, I understand some of what we're doing here.
And then I'm just gonna pass the cell. The guy could jump down. Over here, the guy could either jump down.
Oh, what the hell did you do? Wait.
Cats hate water. Cats hate water?
Most cats do, yeah.
Yeah.
Did you wait? What do you mean? You asked if cats hate water? Bro had no idea.
I mean, I hate water, but I mean, I'm not a cat.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Base position, yeah, sure. Cell type is a function that he made that does what? Oh, okay, I see, kinda. A little bit. Oh, this is, okay, this is just showing what, like, sides have, filled in tiles. So, like, this is a wall or, like, a... Interesting.
Okay, well, I'm just gonna start working on some of the other random stuff that we have in here. I'm just gonna do it in order. So
okay.
First, we start on the auto turret.
Okay, so that should tell us whether it's an edge piece.
Do you think I should try working on this today? Do you think I should try getting ground pathfinding in?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Because, like, it's useful, but...
Yeah, I'll just make... How about this? I'll make a couple of changes to the ground guy currently. I'll come back to this at some point. I want to make sure that there's two issues. Slimes and ground guys can't drop through platforms. They should be able to do that. So I'm going to do that. Where is this getting the... I think this is in the... is this music playlist public? It is, I think. But it's not fully filled out. I've been slacking on that. I believe it's public. If I go to my YouTube, I think it's a playlist. Here's hoping.
If you ever have water in the game, even like reskin lava, it'd be fun to have a boss that makes water rise in the arena as an attack.
It's on this.
That is a good idea because we probably will have lava.
Yeah,
somewhere.
That only has 14 videos out of the probably like 100 songs that I have in this playlist. I need to just spend like an hour one day and fill that like all of the music out. Fire slime. Oh, magma slime enemy. I see. Okay, what all is this guy doing? How are you handling your movement? What the hell is going on here?
What the hell?
Enemy info movement direction. Okay, word. I see that.
What the hell? What the hell, Dante?
Sorry, buddy.
Sorry, bad game.
Update if player. And I
My
would also.
apologies. Umbrella. This is not an umbrella twin.
Hmm?
I don't know. I said umbrella.
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 Does this have access to the movement driver thing? Where are we doing that again? Info movement direction. You. Hard if is player dot. I hate that we have to do that. Does this not just have access to a player? It does. If player dot. Do we just want it to fall down anytime the player is like slightly below them?
Like drop 2 platforms?
Yeah.
Probably. I don't know. Very helpful, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
Yeah, this is an octopus.
I'll just say that if do that for now. What is this?
How many octopodes will be in Dante 9? I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm not making the game.
That's true, yeah. He's actually just making the art, and there's actually like a shadow community of people making the game.
This is true, actually.
Yeah, this is actually a AAA game, and we're just like trying to make it seem like an indie game so that we can get the support of indie developers
Wait,
everywhere.
why haven't they done that yet?
Player
Oh wait,
Obscure
it's called
Expedition
Expedition 33.
They literally have, yeah. Oopsies.
Sorry.
No, that's actually fucking real though.
That's really fun.
Expedition 33 is no longer Game of the Year, by the way. That was on a different thing. That wasn't the actual Game Awards.
Yeah, not the real
Not
Game
that
Awards.
you know, not that the actual Game Awards actually matters, but
Yeah, they do actually. Twin.
okay, buddy. If they mattered, then why did Expedition 33 win everything?
Yeah, you got a point, Twin.
What am I fucking doing? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Game Awards sucked this year. They literally do every year. What did you expect?
That's like kind of true, yeah. Const drop through mask is 0B001 is drop.
I've never watched them before. Okay, yeah, they're always that bad.
What
In case you're wondering.
what layer is this on? Drop through platform. You tell me where.
Hey, no expectations.
Drop platform is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth bit should be set and nothing else.
I was only watching for Lego Batman 4.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Are we not reading movement direction here? We are. It's right here. You.
Is that a tripod? Kind of. it's supposed to be like a turret, the base for a turret. From a turret will like stick out of here like this big gun, and it's like.
What did those remind me of?
Actually, look terrible. What do what?
That reminds me of something from a game. I don't remember what game though. You'll have to. I'm sure it's somehow
Okay.
Terraria.
Yeah, it's probably Terraria Twin.
You're like always copying Terraria without meaning to, with like really big quotes.
This is true.
So this disables this, and then just
When I accidentally use the exact same sound as whatever is in Calamity Mod.
That was really funny. It's for the wolf from something. I don't exactly remember. I've actually never done anything with wolf from anything, so I didn't even notice it.
It's really funny though, because some guy in my TikTok comments was convinced that I stole it. So I was like, I literally have it right here.
Yeah, that's funny. Speaking of, you Terraria
And
now?
then
Fire?
I thought it was really funny.
Dude, Terraria is so fun. I really want to like learn how to teach people the game. Because it is...
Yeah, because I want to learn how to play Terraria.
Yeah, because it is a really, really good game. But like, nothing sucks more than playing a game with a friend who knows everything about a game. And so they just run ahead without like any concern of you.
Any such cases to win.
Magnus slime there. You should fall through the platform now. Oh shit, you did. Fire. Oh. However, I actually need you to be a little bit different.
Probably. UB. Gonna be on red.
So are you just like making this guy like without like thinking about it? You're just like, fuck it, I'm gonna draw this, and you just are doing it until it works.
Yep.
It's crazy.
I mean, I pulled up like a couple. I looked at like a couple references really quick on like Pinterest, but there wasn't really anything that I liked, so I was like, I'm just gonna do whatever and wing it.
Mhm. And what room is it? Room 7? No. Room 3? No. Room 6? No. 5? Nope. I'll go through all of them before I get the right number.
Yeah.
Wait, did the room last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I don't say it.
Six,
not room
7. Sorry,
Not room 6.
my bad, gang.
Okay, not room 3. Am I like stupid? What room is it's room 1. Okay. I think I accidentally just skipped it. This is the room that will be my testing chamber for slimes. This guy should fall through the platform. Yay! Ouch. This guy should also fall through the platform. Oh, that's fire. You check that out. So if I'm up here, I actually haven't checked it up here, so hopefully it works. Oh, it didn't. Why actually didn't it? Oh, oops. Else be info dot. Ooh, should be. Well, actually, I can just do this. I think I'm gonna remake the game in Bevy, by the way. Is that chill with you? Is that fine?
That's really funny. Some guy actually commented on TikTok and was like, I'm a Rust developer. Do you want to like collaborate? And I was like,
Yeah. Yeah, this is made in Bevy, actually.
yeah. Really funny. I got bad news for you, twin. I don't know what Rust is.
It's a game made by Face Punch. Those are also the devs of Gary's Mod.
I didn't actually know that, like, until very recently, that Rust was made by Gary.
Yeah, Newman. Numanos. What the fuck? Dude, okay, that works. Check that out, JW. So here's slime. He's fine. He's working. He's doing good.
Slime.
Look at that slime. And then I go down here, and he comes with.
Oh, let's go fire.
You called them magma, but yeah.
Make the turret rusty. Okay.
I thought
how
that
do
said
do
make
that?
the turret
I don't know how to
furry
draw.
whenever I first read it, and I was like, damn.
Yeah, you would see that. You would.
Yeah,
see
because it's in your
that.
Twitch chat. Of course I would.
No.
Everybody in your Twitch chat be talking about furry shit all the time. Okay, I need to
Yeah,
do this for
unfortunately.
the ground guy as well. I should actually, how about this? util.gd. You are going to have a new function called static func. What would it be? It's like set drop through, probably, or like, yeah, we'll just say set drop through. On this guy, which is a physics body 2D. Do not say hear me out whenever we were just talking
Don't
about furry
ever
things.
say
Do not
that.
say okay. All right. If B and body dot collision mask. So if we're enabling
Is this
it,
like rusty enough?
then I want to enable
That looks pretty good.
the mask. Otherwise, I would like to set this to. I love writing bitwise operators because they look really ugly, but I know what they do.
Then I don't.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say I'm pretty happy with this. Looks pretty cool.
Util dot drop through or body or target. I don't want to keep writing that code over and over. Now, where is ground enemy player? You need to be fixed because you are like fucked up and evil. Why does this guy have a... Oh, yeah. Sorry. My fault.
It's your fault, this is true.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I is greater
Separate.
than... What are you doing, actually? Enemy
What
movement
is Arrival?
is
I'm sorry. Dante 9.
What is Orion? In parentheses, Laterno. That's
Nobody knows.
that's Northern Lion, by the way, if you didn't know.
Northern Lion.
Northern Lion, yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah, he's Lion.
Who is Dante? I don't know. Don't ask me.
What is a Dante? Oh yeah, I guess you guys should prepare for this. We're gonna have a competition before the game releases to see who can do the best meow. And then we're gonna put the winner in the game for one of the skins.
I forgot about this one. But yeah, I guess we're doing that.
Dude, look at him shake. Dude, he's angry. Look at him fucking... Dude, he's fucking angry. I fucked up. I made him so angry.
What did you do to bro?
I did something, but he's so pissed. I know what I did wrong, but it's funny because he's... Did he shakes every now and then. Oh, no, yeah. Dude, he's angry. Yeah.
Bro is raging. Bro is bitlytic when he plays Rivals of Aether 2.
True. Oh shit, dude, I gotta show you this. Did Nasita send you any gifts or anything from Rivals today?
No.
Oh my god. Dude, he showed me one. This is so fucking funny to me. Alright, let me know when you're looking.
I'm looking.
His name is 6'7 Slime God. Okay, alright. I just want you to watch this.
Okay.
Did you see it?
Whoa. What was that?
Because Raster does a little hop whenever he walks.
Why? How did that not hit?
He walked over it.
There's no way that doesn't hit.
He walked over it, dude. Also, I just want to point out,
That's
look at how
evil.
quickly this Clarion does a back air, land, and then does a fucking down tilt immediately after. 0 in lag, by the way. Like, what is that?
That's evil.
That's so much. That's so
like
fast.
Evil.
That's so fast. But the
My
way he
Craig can't do that.
also like, yeah, this doesn't
Actually,
hit
Craig probably
Raster.
can't do
Surprise,
that.
bitch. If I did a short hop, that would have fucking domed me. I would have died. That would have tippered me. Yeah. Anyways, that's my issue with the rivals. That's why I get so pissed. Why is my phone lit up? Hello. Oh, dude. Thanks. Oh, I should actually plug my phone in as fuck right now.
Yeah, you should.
I have a charger nearby. I don't. Okay. Well, I'll plug it in later then.
It's over. Total phone death.
Yeah, whenever I get hungry and want to go get a snack, I'll plug my phone in whenever I do that, if I remember.
Yeah, so we can eat your phone.
Yeah, that's exactly.
So you get hungry.
Yeah, I hungry. Oh, that looks really cool. It's not supposed to, but that does look really cool. Whenever there's like the dithered foreground in front of this, it looks sick. I don't.
It's weird,
Why does this
but,
guy
yeah.
inch forward? I always forget. Oh, it's because of this. Here we go. So he should no longer inch forward now. Oh, I lied. Why the fuck is he doing that? Because you should go to attack. Oh, I know why. It's because in here I tell him to move for a single fucking frame in the direction so that he faces the player. Fuck. Interesting. Wait, these guys have like an aim, don't they? They do have an aim direction. Why the fuck am I not just using that? What? Literally, huh? Enter info dot aim direction dot x is equal. I'll just surprise.
I just realized, is the gun set up in a way? What this is?
Is it set up in a way? What's the way? What's the question?
Okay, no, extended equipment. So wouldn't work. I was thinking if the gun was made in a way that I could turn the gun into or turn it, use the turret, use the gun scene to make the turret.
Oh,
that'll work very well.
no. However, I was gonna split that class up a little bit so that it had like a projectile firing part, and then also like, because the hit scan
Yeah,
part
'cause
is
that would
completely
probably
separate
be useful.
from that, like
Mm-hmm.
everything in there, but that controls a lot of the projectile stuff. So, actually, what the fuck is all in that class? Base gun ability. What all are you doing? Because it's a lot. So it's doing the put away animation that has to stay there. This could be moved to a. Oh yeah, this entire S function, this 50 line function, could be moved down into a projectile handler. The Gibbs spawner should be using the Gibbs spawner
So
class.
should I maybe wait to do the turret?
Oh no, you can be. You're fine to just do that already.
Okay. Do what?
You're fine to make the turret. It'll probably
Okay.
just.
I just wasn't sure.
Yeah.
This kind of stuff would be useful. I don't.
I don't
I need to
think.
code more because
so.
I just need to start coding.
I believe flying enemy fire has flying. Flying
Yeah,
fire
they do, yeah.
projectile enemy. He has this projectile shooting component, which takes in the projectile info for this thing. So
Okay, then yeah, that should work fine.
yeah, it just doesn't have a scene on it, which you probably want, but whatever.
Yeah, and also want it to be able to take in the card info and things like that.
Yeah. Yeah. True.
So I might just make a custom thing really quick.
Oh yeah, this thing needs to know about the card, right?
Yeah, because it needs to. I'll probably outscale the bullets based on like the size.
Yeah, I think you can extend. Is it card ability? I don't believe so. But maybe it might. Almost. That doesn't exist anymore. Most of this doesn't exist anymore, actually. Card
And
ability.
also, I need to figure out if there's anything else I need to do to make summon cards work properly.
Yeah. Card attack is what I have this thing handling, but this is specifically, I guess, this is mainly for things that have.
Yeah.
Actually, this is probably.
I think I can just.
I think you'd be fine to extend off this, but yeah. This has.
I don't see what at all is useful on that though. That I can't just use the regular card instance or whatever. Wait, what is?
Because this is for the turret that you're spawning, right?
Yeah.
Yes, this isn't something the player will be handling. This is like functionally similar to like the candy corn or like a thrown brick, kind of.
Yeah.
Where it's like this has a reference to the card. I don't know how I feel about this still, but I kind of like it. The idea.
Usually I just use like the base ability. What is it? Base ability. What is it called?
Which one are you looking for? Are you looking for the thing you?
Base ability class.
Card ability is what it's called.
Card ability. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, I usually just use that, and that works fine.
Okay, that's fine. Probably.
Because like, what is there in that isn't in card ability that I would use?
The ability in the automatic doing damage. Attack handler dot hit.
Which like I'm not gonna do because it's a projectile. So
yeah, whatever. It's fine.
Usually I just use card ability because that just has like the most basic.
Did I fix this? No, I didn't do shit. What is this doing? Where is your sprite being set? Is it you? It's based on body velocity. Is this a... Oh, flip sprite. I see. You know what I can do? I'm gonna extend this class. I'm so sorry. What the fuck? I didn't know that was a thing that I could do. That's actually crazy.
Do we have an option for on the card resource? Do you have an option for whether it spawns it on the? Does it always spawn the thing on the player now? I haven't touched this in forever. Like when you use a card, does it always add the scene to the player?
I want to say the answer is no. I mean, I would. What does the soul projector do?
Yeah, that's a good.
Is that one? Do you have an activate function?
Yeah, that does just spawn it.
Yeah. So this doesn't actually get put as a child of the player now. Is there a flag on that? I don't remember. I think I removed that.
Yeah, I don't know how it works. It's just like top level or something dumb like that.
Is it? I don't think so.
No.
Then the new question
Maybe
is, how does the speed...
Because it's a rigid body?
Well, let's find out. How about this? I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna spawn...
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Sorry, I was doing something and you need to be killed.
Oh, it reparents it to the current room. The one ready.
I see.
Which, yeah, that works, but probably works better than like making a separate scene to spawn in the other scene.
Yeah.
So, I like this, but that works.
We are back at it again, dude. There are 2 different flip sprite classes now.
Nice.
I don't know when this happened, but apparently it did.
Let's make this guy a rigid body, just like the.
I can tell you
soul
made this
projector
one though
while we're
because
at
the
it.
class name was after extends.
Arr, arr. This guy hates me.
This is true.
What folder do I put card stuff in?
What is this?
In abilities.
Is this a thing?
Summon. There we go.
This is the
I
thing you're
got it.
spawning?
Never mind. I found it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, is this the ability that's being added to the player, or is this the object that's in the... I guess there's not a difference. Never mind. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about my questions. Just do whatever you were going to do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll figure out answers on my own.
Now that I'm thinking about it, if this is a summon, then wouldn't the soul projector be a summon? But I'm not gonna worry about it. I think my classification would be things that can take damage. But now that I think about it, then the salmon would have to take damage. So I'm just not gonna have set classifications, and I'm just gonna vibe set the card types because they don't really actually mean that much. They're just categorization.
Terrific.
Yep.
Could your classification be
Unless you have better ideas.
spawn things that attack enemies?
That could work, but then there's the
the jelly or the
one
blocking,
that
whatever.
orbits and like, we could just make that a green card then, but
Maybe the soul projector should be a purple card.
yeah, but we need more green cards.
What
We'll figure it out. It's not that hard to change the type and color and things like that.
Why do you need access?
Of all things to change, that's like the easiest.
I already functioned at this. I don't feel like assigning this every time this gets used. If not body. Body equals analyst character money. Sick. Alright. Terrific. Body dot velocity is greater than 0. Sure. Okay, so you're doing all the things that you need to do. That's terrific. What is visual? What? Is this always just assigned to yourself? Oh. Oh, why did... That's an interesting one. JW, can I ask you a question that you may or may not know the answer to? So, there's this component here called Flip Sprite. Is there a reason that this takes in a reference to the visual and isn't just the script attached to visual?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think so that way, if the visual had its own script, you could do that as well. I think that's why.
Okay.
Because if you're flipping something that already had a script on it, you could flip it.
I see, that makes sense.
Yeah.
I think for something
that's
like
why I did that.
this, if you don't mind, I want to run an idea by you. What are the chances that you would be okay with making it so that it's like this? So that the flip sprite is kind of a component of the visual, and then instead of assigning the visual, you could override it, or otherwise you could do like, if not visual is get parent. That way.
Yeah, that works.
Okay, because then you can just like attach it to whatever you want the visual to be.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just kind of like that because I don't feel like it needs to be like a completely separate thing just on the floating wherever.
No, it's fair. And I got a nice water bottle for Christmas, so now I actually drink water. Isn't that weird?
Wow. I can't believe it. He actually drinks water now.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
Terrific. Okay, So does this guy work? I know. Also, Benny VV eating popcorn. My goat.
The goat. Meow 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 meow.
I need to reset my main scene to the starting room.
Meow. Sorry.
No, it's okay, man. Spit your shit win. Or something. Oh, he's tiny. Why are you tiny?
Oh. What is Why does he look like
Why is
that?
he tiny? Oh, because it sets the scale to 1 or -1. Because the salmon has its sprite size set to 4, but the enemy has his visual set to 4. How about this, buddy? I don't feel like dealing with like the semantics of which one is which. I don't trust me or you to be consistent. So I'm going to say starting scale is going to be starting scale is equal to visual.scale.x. And then you will be that. So what is instant? Oh, instant is okay, I see. I can probably factor this out into its own method down here. Not method, but like this. Set you to target scale. Set you to target scale. Yes, I think that works. Also, Benny Vivi, what is your favorite evolution? I have a guess based on all of the emotes you've ever sent in my chat, but just curious. Has he always behaved that way? Let me go grab the current build of Dante's 9 and try this out. Godot builds Dante playtest 3. Toss this bitch over here. No, okay, so that sprite actually did something different. Let's see. Oh, because
That's
this
crazy, twin.
Alright, buddy. You're getting put in the slaughterhouse. Sorry.
What?
So the problem is that this is based on velocity, which is great, but I don't want that. The H flip allowed to become really hard to see. That's true. This is true.
I thought I had an option for manually flipping it, but maybe I didn't.
No, I think it's fine, because I've got a couple of things that I want to do. Like specifically, I want to have a function called isFlipped. Or like should flip, probably. Should flip. Maybe. And this will just by default return body.velocity.x is less than 0. And then this will be called here. And then what I want to do is I want to extend this class. This enemy lip sprite. And so the enemy will actually be based on their aim direction, which this guy will set based on want. If he's still in this state, info dot aim direction x is equal to this thing. I'm also kind of surprised that these don't use like tweens. I feel like a tween would go fucking crazy on this. Like,
Maybe. I think that's also like before I knew how tweens worked, so.
Probably, yeah. It's just doing like a lerp. I'll try a tween actually as well. Because yeah, like Cybern mentioned, whenever they H flip a lot, they become really hard to see. Yeah. Yeah, they become very, very thin. Yeah, an aggressive curve. That's why I was thinking tweens, because I was like, we could just test it really quickly. Of just like setting the ease mode to like ease out with like a transquint or something, which would make it like. Also, you said always had choice paralysis in the game. Slap an Everstone on an EV. That's evil. I mean, that's like fair, you know. Does Eevee get any cool moves later on that would be locked by like evolving? I actually do not know.
No.
No? Okay. Oh,
No,
shit.
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Oh, I've got him going the other way. Dude, look at him go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, he's moving. He's grooving. Just, you know, in the wrong way. Look at him go.
Whoa, bro, he's grooving.
Dude, it's sick. I fucked something up. Obviously.
Obviously.
Obviously, I should be making this the opposite direction, and now he should face the... Oh. What? Aim direction is left less than 0. That should have at least flipped it. I don't know what? Hold on. Hold on. Console print enemy info aim direction. And also I want to see what your movement direction is. What you got going on? Oh wait, I'm stupid. I'm dumb, I think.
Yeah.
Lots of cases.
Many cases.
Me whenever I look at my CSGO inventory.
Wait, that's kind of funny.
Thanks, dude. What the fuck do you mean?
I need more cases.
Visual is null? Why and who? Self, body visual. Ready should have been called here. Why didn't we? Oh, oops. Sorry. I didn't call super. My fault. I kind of wish there was a way to show that you don't want, like, either that you don't want to call super or that super isn't currently being called. Because I find myself sometimes just, like, forgetting to call the base class constructor. They're not constructor, but the ready. Oh shit. Dude, he's going crazy with it. Okay, so this works whenever he's in follow mode. Okay, sick. I just need to make it so that whenever he's in wander mode. It's just the moonwalk cat now. Dude, he's moonwalking. He's kind of grooving. He was kind of like mogging the fuck out of me.
I just realized I can't share bits. Yeah, I think that's because I'm not like affiliate or whatever. Maybe I should do that.
No, that's such a bad idea.
Maybe I should.
Okay, you know what? People present arguments for and against this. I've been saying that JW shouldn't go to affiliate and I shouldn't go to affiliate on Twitch because it requires you to run ads. And if you open up someone's stream and they have ads, it's like you're less likely to just watch. And also it's like kind of would be disrupt some of the streams. Do you think that either of us would get more out of it? Because, I mean, like, if... I don't know how much you would get for being affiliate, but... I mean... It's kind of your decision because of, like, money-wise. I'm like, I don't care enough about whatever would come from that, but I don't know what your feelings
I mean,
are
if
on
I was
it.
a little bigger, maybe, but, like, I don't have...
It does unlock emotes, yes. So that unlocks emotes, and it unlocks bits, and... What is the thing? It unlocks bits... It unlocks channel points. It unlocks emotes. But it also, yes. So it, from what I understand, if you become affiliate, anytime someone opens up your stream, you will get an ad. Or if you run ads, it only runs ads whenever you specifically choose. So it would either be, we would have to choose when to run it, or it would just run whenever people open the stream, which I would hate it for it to be people opening the stream, because whenever I open a stream, if I'm like unsure and then I get hit with like a 3-minute long Coca-Cola ad, I'm like, I don't want to, I don't care enough. That's because I have ADHD brain. Unless there's a way to just disable ads, but I don't think that there is, unfortunately. Because, yeah, that is also a thing of, like, emotes would be cool to have and, like, channel points and, like, predictions or whatever. I don't know if we get predictions from affiliate, actually. I don't know.
Probably, I don't know.
We'll actually do the on-join ads. I think it's either you do the schedule ads or you do join ads.
Could you just be saying things?
Okay, dude.
With zero proof.
Oh my god. Does Twitch affiliate cause ads? Okay, yes. So what this person said 8 months ago is if you're not affiliate, there's no ads. If you're an affiliate streamer, you can choose to either run ads or not. If you run 3 minutes of ads in an hour, that will disable the pre-rolls for that hour, and then you have to do it again the next hour, which is not bad. But I'm like, So I think it definitely depends on you, JW, if you decide to do it. I'm not going to because I don't care enough of the things for it.
Being jolly.
Yeah, that's true. Emotes would be cool, and like channel points would be cool, but that's about it. It's pretty toxic, a little bit, yeah. Unless you're talking about me, at which point, yeah, you're also right. One thing that I've seen, is this a Steam game or is this just like a thing that you can open up? Oh, is this by the... These aren't like the Gartic phone people, are they? I don't know. I don't think so. There's this game called Word. Ugh, I don't know why the fuck I said it like that. Words on Stream. This thing. Which whenever you like set up your ads, you can just have it so that people who are playing or who are watching the stream whenever ads are playing, would just like, oh my god, I hate this embedded player. I can't turn down the volume. It just like pops up like a word search game that you can choose to opt into, and then people can type in chat, which is pretty fun.
Maybe someone commented on the edit that I made and said he's only gonna play if you can pick from 3 things.
Oh, dude, they got some fucking terrific news. Wait, was that on TikTok or was it on Shorts?
Mm-hmm. On TikTok.
Oh, dude, you can reply to comments on TikTok, so you gotta like select the comment and then reply with the video that's I got some great news for you, fam.
Oh, I just replied saying you can.
No, dude, you gotta do the video because it'll show up if the comment will be at the top. So people watch the first one and then they open the comments and then there's a second
I don't think
video.
you can reply with videos. You can reply with
can.
images.
You can reply with videos. You can reply with your own videos. Like you can make a video reply on TikTok.
I did not know you could do that.
Mhm.
I've literally never seen that.
What am I doing now? Okay, I made
Here, I'll take a picture real quick and
Works.
send it.
Skyworks, right? You're gonna like flip around whenever you come back this way. Yeah, terrific. Okay. I need to make the guy. Oh, I wanted to make sure that whenever he goes to attack, he doesn't. Oh shit, he's going the other way. Ooh, beautiful. Attack dot. Weapon.direction.x. Enemy pointing towards player. I thought that you would be whatever. Hmm. Am I like stupid or something?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, the answer is yes. Enemy pointing towards player. I do want this to go in the same direction, so why is this not? This should flip. Oh, I'm like that. There we go. I think that's what I want. Right, so this would be, should flip if it's to the left and then to the right. Yeah, duh. We do some smart things around here sometimes, and then other times we do not. Okay, are you gonna face the right way now? Yeah, terrific. Okay, are you gonna follow me? Terrific. And then whenever you go into wander state, are you just gonna like goober around a little bit? He's goobing it. Oh, I also made it so I can see enemy state now. Oh, wait, hold up, wait for him to change state, and I'll be able to see it. There we go. Look at him. Look at that. I added the debug
Fire.
option so that whenever they change state, if that's off, it'll go away. And if it's on, it'll show up, which is quite cool. Because you mentioned that as like annoying.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Wait.
Yes, sure.
A little bit, twin.
Okay, I think that's fine. Let me make sure that salmon works as well.
Ooh, Steam daily, the Steam page visits and impressions have arrived.
Whoa. I'm like trying to pick a single salmon to watch to make sure that it flips the correct direction. Okay, it does.
We have not beaten lifetime Steam page visits though.
It's okay.
But that's okay. All we need is the wish list. Visits don't matter.
This is true. Yeah, visits don't matter at all, ever.
Mm-hmm. This is true, actually.
That's not true.
Actually, not true.
It's not true in the slightest.
Matters slightly less.
What else would I use this? What the fuck did I just try to say? Oh my god. What if we...
Is Twitch integration on the roadmap? I don't know, actually. That's a good
The answer is
question. Maybe
no, it's not on the
someday, but
roadmap.
No.
I
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, he goes, I don't know if that's, like, I don't know if it is. No, it's not. Should it be is the question. Which I don't know.
Yeah.
What would
Probably
be...
not at least to start out, but maybe later.
What would be some sort of, like, things that would be integrated? Like, what could we integrate? Because I can't even think of what it would be.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm like really thinking of like what would be a good integration for that. Because you wouldn't want it to just be like, give the streamer an item based on who's saying this in chat, or like anything like that. You could make it something just purely visual and make it so that like enemies have like names on them or something, but I don't know. I don't know what the integration part would be.
Biddy, how do you do the thing with like the custom parameters on the card resource? I want to add the things for the summon.
You can look at the, I believe it's called pistolability.gd, which should be changed. The section down at the bottom, that is export group card properties. Those should be those guys. What are you
so like
scrolling
someplace it does things with it? I mean, there I see that there's exports here.
Yeah.
What do you do with them?
Yeah, that you put that in the scene.
Oh, you just put this and
yeah,
it
you
just works?
Yeah, you do an export group and then the 2 exports. And then it'll just work, yeah.
What?
Yeah, just to go to the scene that you just added. Add export group. And then make those 2 exports. Save it, and then if you have the card, now it'll show up in the card.
Oh, well, I don't have the card yet. But...
Okay.
Although, I might want to make these default to summon cards, but...
What do you mean?
I guess... Well, I guess this is summon card ability, never mind. So
oh, okay. Fine. Yeah. Chat plays Dante's 9. Yeah, we can add integration so that every frame it will pick a recent message in Twitch chat to get the input.
That'd be kind of evil.
Makes the streamer's game harder based on votes like chaotic buffs and debuffs. Yeah, so I guess it would be more like a chat controls rather than like a chat integration. Like, Simple Flips did this before, I think.
Flipping it simply.
True.
Simply flipping it.
Is it this one? I think it's this video. This was for charity, by the way. You won't be able to tell that it's for charity because the title doesn't say for charity. But yeah, he has it so that people can donate and it'll like activate codes in the game that will make certain things happen. Like, let's see if there's one. Yeah, like he has to play the game in first person right now because they donated to put him in first person mode. Cool stuff like that. Could be a thing. Wouldn't be terrible.
Like forgetting how to code everything. That's probably a good thing. I'll have to figure it out.
Yeah, one thing I'll say before you get too far in that function, or sorry, I'll let you finish writing your thing. What am I tweeting? Oh my god, I'm just like fucking losing my mind out here. Mhm.
I think that's really all I need right now for the base of this. I mean, there's obviously other stuff we can add later, but
I can check to see if the oh my god, what is it? The ready function exists inside a card ability. 'Cause you might need to call super. I don't remember what that code has.
oh yeah,
I don't think it does, but
no,
okay, sick.
no, it doesn't. And I was looking, the projectile shooting component is actually only for enemies because it just automatically shoots at the player.
Oh, does
Like
it?
the aim direction is always at the player, yeah. It's a little
Ah, I
goofy like
see.
that. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
that could probably be
that's
changed,
okay, I'll
honestly,
just...
though. You could probably just copy it and then make that like a variable called like aim
Yeah.
target or some
But there's
shit.
also like other stuff I need to change too, because it
Oh,
needs
yeah, it
to
also
work
uses-
with like the scaling stickers
It's
and
also
things
only
like that.
using
It does a lot of...
this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fair enough.
Yeah, it's doing a lot of weird stuff.
It is.
Honestly, I might just copy like the stuff from the pistol instead. That might be easier.
Yeah. Yeah.
What all is in here? I know there's a bunch of stuff that I
Just the shoot
didn't
projectile
write.
function is the one that you should care about, I think.
Shoot projectile. How are we scaling this? I forget.
That's inside the projectile itself.
Oh. Huh?
Right?
Oh, because it passes in a card instance. Okay.
Mhm.
That works then. Okay.
Yeah, so like even the
Cool.
base projectile stuff, you should be able to just like copy over.
Yeah.
Like you wouldn't even need to make a new projectile, probably.
Yeah. That's what I was worried about, is because I couldn't remember how we did like the scaling and things like that. But if it's just the card instance, then that's really easy. I love when BD writes good code. Then I go in and write terrible code, and then he complains.
Yes, sir.
It's like, grrr.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I might save this just as its own class and then make a new script specifically for the turret. Put up here, because this does not need to be summon card ability. So, detach, new, you should be auto turret. You extend summon card ability. Ready? You want hello? Oh, duh, I need a class name. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Do I need a class name? What is this? Oh, okay. I don't know why I was saying that. It's weird.
It's probably you hadn't saved the class yet,
Yeah.
so it didn't like update it.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Yeah.
I have no clue what he's talking about, chat.
It's okay. Put this over, and then I'll do all of this shit. So I don't think this should be running every frame anymore. This should just be like only when it needs to. Oh god. Formatting. I need this to actually update the. Or no, flip. Let's see, to flip. Yes. Yeah. If these two aren't the same, then we should flip. Okay. Hopefully that works. Let's find out. Oops. I inverted my if check. Because I'm a goober.
He's a goober.
Cause I'm a creep.
I'm a goober.
What the hell
Any
am I
such
dashing
cases to
for?
win.
You ever played Goober Dash?
Yeah, I forgot about Goober Dash.
It's really bad.
It's made in Godot though.
Can I call set ease on a null value? What in the fuck are you talking about? Oh, you're so right, dude. This should be scaled :x, so that it's only scaling the.
More like :3. Sorry.
All right,
My
bud.
bad.
That's it. I'm getting the water bottle out.
No.
Yup. Oh, did you see the thing I posted to my server earlier, by the way? About Eric
No.
Barone, aka Concerned Ape, the goat.
Oh yes, I did. Never mind.
Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. That's a weird one. All right, JW, can you take a look at this real quick? I'm gonna put this in super slow-mo so you can see this. So I made it tween now. I changed it so it used a trans back tween. So if I go over here, whenever he finishes his attack, which will happen eventually, surely. Surely? You got
Mm-hmm.
He does like a little, he turns back, does like a little squash over. I don't know how you feel about that.
No, I don't like it.
Okay. I can just change it to be like a trans quad or a
It's
trans
okay.
quint then.
It's not terrible. I do think making it a little bit more like snappy probably isn't bad.
I agree. That's
Which
why
looks like that's what you're doing.
Yeah, it's snappy right now.
Yeah, because people are complaining a little bit.
Mhm.
I've seen a couple complaints that like when they flip, they can be really hard to see.
Oh, they were literally talking about that like earlier in chat.
Yeah, that's true too.
Yeah.
I knew that. I read chat
Do you?
for sure.
Is that true? Chat, do we
No.
believe this? Tween gender. +2. You get a +2.
+2, more like. I'm not reading chat.
As I look over and read chat and see the message, JW is a furry. Fire. And true.
Unready.
And true.
Reload.
Why are you on Reddit? What was that? Or is it dynamically loading its own code from a fucking text file? It's crazy. So I'm changing a couple things about the flip sprite. So rather than having a lerp amount, it has a tween time now. So you can set the tween time to be like the amount of time you want it to. You
Okay.
know. Oh, you know what? I can actually add this to the flying guy. Did we want the flying guy to have a flip sprite?
I thought he did.
No.
Maybe.
No, he doesn't.
I thought he just flipped manually. Maybe he doesn't.
No, he
Maybe
doesn't
I'm
flip at
stupid.
all.
I thought he did.
He has never flipped, ever.
Oh yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, I can make him flip. I can just flip.
I mean, I don't think he
mhm.
really needs to since he's like kind of symmetrical, but whatever. You do you, twin. Not using the passive star theme is low-key a crime. This is true. This is
Isn't
true.
true.
+2, +2.
If the passive star theme becomes default, I will use it. But until then, I am using the default because I make videos sometimes, allegedly.
Yeah, I make videos. Yeah.
Yeah, I make videos sometimes,
Alright.
and those videos, I would rather them be the default theme so that people know and can expect.
Okay.
Also,
Alright.
I just don't feel like customizing it, I'll be honest. I really like the way the Godot theme just looks by default. Passive Star's theme is good. It feels a little Unreal or Unity, and it doesn't like Godot stands out a lot whenever you see someone using it. But like Unity and Unreal kind of blend together just a little bit. JW. Are you looking?
Yeah.
Watch this guy. Oh wait, he didn't do it. Why didn't he do it? There we go.
Yeah, I guess that. Ooh, something's weird
Yeah,
there.
don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
I'm worrying about it, twin.
Don't worry about it. I don't actually know what the fuck that was. Oh, because his fucking thing, whenever he flies, sets the scale. Right? Or something sets the scale somewhere. Yeah, this sets the scale. What if I can fix that? Nothing a few more nodes in between the enemy and their visuals can't fix. Let me do that thing that I was talking about. What's the start room called? Is it just called start room? Let's start room. Hello.
Why is it? Oh, I see.
Oh god, dude, he flips so fast. Dude, he's... Oh, yeah. Look at him go, dude. He's so fast with it. What the hell?
I don't know if I like it, but I guess it works.
Why is he not shooting?
It definitely makes one maybe a little more like interactive.
Why is he not shooting? He's just sitting
He's
there.
stun locking by flipping him constantly.
No, I don't know what the fuck he's doing. Am I like in a sweet spot or something? Is he just not... He's like attempting to dash, but he's like fucking it up.
Yeah,
If I go over here, does he...
you broke him.
Apparently, what did I do?
What did you do?
I don't know. He's gonna shoot now, but like... What the fuck? He's like... Yeah, oh, I bet... I know what happened. It's because I went in here and I moved it down the tree. So something needs to be
Oh,
updated.
what a silly guy.
Yeah, these are upset. Couldn't find track. Why not, dude? I literally updated you in the Godot editor. You should know where this is. Get out of here. Go. Leave. Bye. Speaking of Godot. Speaking of Go, what if we remade the game using Go so that we can have like a really cool
What if we
mascot?
like? Oh wait, you might be cooking.
Yeah.
I like wasn't sure at first.
Yeah,
You were
no.
like,
The Go mascot's like really good, so like you guys should go like check out the Go mascot.
Yeah.
It's really, really good.
Yeah, this is true. This is true.
Hey,
This is
Godot, I'm just curious. Why are you... What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is this doing? This is how you decided to find that? So, the way that Godot decided to put the projectile shooting component reference in here is by grabbing the unique item hit flash component, going up a level from it, and then back down to the projectile shooting component, rather than just... What the fuck? Dude, look at him go. That's him. He's doing the thing. So fucking ugly, man. He's so fucking ugly.
He's like so ugly, it's funny.
He's so
he's so
ugly that it's
that he like
ugly.
wraps around and stops being ugly.
Do you think there's a GD extension that adds Golang? Is Golang compiled?
I don't know, probably.
Is Golang compiled? Because if so, yes.
I have no clue.
Not asking you. I know you don't know. Sorry. We've been here. You don't fucking know? Well, me neither. Go do research and tell us. Sorry, what are you calling? Oh, because this is relative to the animation player, which means you would go up one and then back down. Okay, weird. Let's see. Up one and then back down, and then you are apparently incorrect. Reload. What the fuck is wrong with you, dude? Dot slash. Is it just dot?
Google says yes.
Google says yes.
Google
does Google say yes, or does Google's AI say yes? Because those are two very different things.
This is true.
What the fuck? Why is it doing this? Why are you grabbing the projectile shooting component relative to the hit flash component? What is wrong with you? You're done. You're done. You're no longer a unique name. I'm revoking your unique name. I'm sorry. It's just gone. It was never meant to be.
Looked into it more. Wikipedia says yes.
Okay, sick.
All right.
Okay, now we got a real reference.
We do got a real reference.
Dude, I'm so worried for the day that Wikipedia becomes like
Yeah, then we'll only have Reddit.
Dude, it's so sad that Reddit has turned into like somewhat of a bastion of like real humans.
It is though.
It's lame to have to say, yeah, I'm gonna go to Reddit to find my information. Like,
yeah.
Sorry.
In such cases.
Where is? Oh, this is the reset animation. I was like, where's the question for? What? The fuck? What animation am I editing? Because it's you, right? Oh my god. The root node is based off of the sprite. Fuck me. Okay, you're gonna be upset about a lot of things in about 2 seconds, I think. Yep, there it is. Okay, I'm breaking everything. Nothing I can do about it.
Breaking everything, chat.
What in the fuck is this? Sub viewport? What was this before? This was the hit flash component, right? I thought the Godot would automatically update these references, but I guess not. Visuals. Flash component. Position. Is that right? That looks right to me. God, I'm so glad that I at least know like somewhat of how this system works so that I can actually get it to run again. Okay, and you should only be based off of... Oh. Oh, you should not be doing that at all, actually. Why do you care about that? You shouldn't even know about that. I'm fixing that. You no longer know about that. Sorry, bud. Is this all aim reticle stuff? It is. Okay, you're gone. And you are too. And you...
Oh, that's so cool. So the custom properties you can have on multiple inherited classes. So I have the summon card ability, which has custom properties, and then the auto turret, which extends the summon card ability.
Yes.
Which also has custom properties.
Mm-hmm. That makes enough sense to me.
Very sick.
You can also set the if you go into the scene itself, where you have the properties exported.
Mm-hmm.
I have it set up in such a way that if the properties are not populated, then it will just use whatever's in the scene,
Hmm.
which
Okay,
is
interesting.
slightly annoying if you ever wanted to set it to 0. If you want to do that, good luck.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually really happy with that system, by the way.
Yeah.
It like works
No, it's very cool.
really, really well. It was really, really quick to set up too. Like, relatively
Mhm.
speaking, it was like an evening.
Yeah.
Evening.
I want to figure out the best way to set up duration for this. Because I want it to do something similar to whatever the other duration cards are doing. Because I think it'll last for a period of time. Like, I don't think it should last forever, but I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. Can't be that hard. Right?
What is this doing?
Yeah.
It's going up. Or can you do me a favor? Can you go to flying fire projectile enemy.tscn?
Yeah.
And then can you go to the animation player that's on there?
Yep.
Go to the reset. Okay, you got it. Can you make that larger, like tall, and then also reveal the names?
Reveal the name.
Yeah, so like where your timeline thing is, yeah, you can click and drag the 2 arrows next to the right. Okay, cursor's there. Yep, there. Drag that over. Okay, and then can you just take a screenshot and send that to me?
A screenshot.
Yep.
Stuff like this.
Yep. Actually, sorry. Can you take it of like the entire bottom half of the editor, like including the scene tree?
The entire bottom half of the editor. Okay.
Yeah. That should be fine. Yeah. I just have to convert them to point to the correct nodes because currently the flapping animation is pointing to the root visual, which is not correct.
I see.
All right. Thank you, Twin.
My pleasure, Twin.
Okay, let's open this fucking link. All right, so this reset should be pointing out. I see. Yeah, you're a problem. You should be pointing here.
Okay, I think we've hit almost 20,000 views today.
Whoa.
On the Salmon Storm, which I think is more than I had initially. I don't know why it just randomly decided to blow up again.
It was kind of crazy though.
But I'm not complaining.
Yeah. Okay, this was the scale to hit.
And that's good to know that just because a video does well and then doesn't get too many views after doesn't mean it can't happen again. Because I have no idea how like the TikTok algorithm works whatsoever, so. What am I doing here?
Actually, a little disappointed in Godot for not automatically like editing this to use the new whatevers, like the correct,
the new whatevers.
the correct references. You don't actually call the shoot animation anymore, do you? Yeah, you just call attack.doAttack. So let's find out if this crashes. The answer is maybe. I guess it wouldn't crash, would it? It was just like, oh, it did crash. Damn, that's kind of cool. I don't know when the fuck you got destroyed, but you did. Question. Do you think all enemies are going to have an attack?
No.
No. Mm-mm.
What? Why?
Just curious if there's a way that I can... Oh, that guy looks so weird when he's facing the other way. I'm not used to that.
Who? Which one?
The flying guy. It looks so weird.
Oh. Yeah, it does look a little weird.
But, like, doesn't? It, like, makes sense, but it looks, like, weird. I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah, I like it, actually.
I could also make him, I could make these, instead of ease out, they could be an ease in out, so it's like a flipsy doodles. You know what I'm talking about?
I think it looks fine how it is.
Probably does, yeah. I'm just curious what an ease in out would look like.
Biddy is addicted to easing functions.
Functions?
I don't know, whatever you call them.
Tweens?
Tweens? Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
same thing.
Excuse me. Fuck, I like died during
Oh, okay. Nice.
My fault. My fault, gang.
Sorry, gang.
Sorry, gang. Oh yeah, I guess this should be here.
Is it bad to check for, like, find all the enemies every frame? I want to find, like, enemies within the range of the turret.
No, but well, how are you
Like,
gonna?
it could be bad, but
So
I'm planning to have an area, and then
Okay.
that's going to look for
Yeah.
enemies, and then
that's fine.
it's gonna loop through all of those, and then be like, is this guy behind a wall?
Yeah,
And
that's
then
fine.
it picks whichever one's closest that isn't behind a wall, and then shoots. Or actually, it would move the aim, like,
Yeah, it would
to
adjust
that
the aim.
position, and then shoot. Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that's not bad. Especially for using like the
Yeah.
built-in, just like the area 2D.
Yeah. And then I think also I could
You can make it only check
probably have
whenever
an
it needs to attack
indicator.
as well. Like,
That's a good point, yeah.
I mean, you could also just have it track. I mean, it does. It literally isn't going to matter. If it matters, I'll come back and
Okay.
optimize it.
Yeah. Alright. Because, yeah, I just wasn't sure if, like, doing that every frame could be
No.
an issue, but yeah,
It's
probably
not going to be. Our issue is going to be with
Because,
rendering.
yeah, it's not, like, physics or rendering.
Yeah.
Which are, like, issues, I think.
Yeah, so long as you make it like a circle and not like
Mm-hmm.
a manually created circle out of a convex polygon, we should be fine.
Okay. Yeah, I just never know, like, what runs well and what doesn't for the most part.
Area detections are usually really, really simple. Like, if you were to use an area to detect enemies, I believe that would be faster than looping over all of the enemies and finding out if they're within your distance, solely because the physics server is already going to calculate that, and that's in C++ land, where everything is just like 1.5
Okay.
gajillion times faster.
Yeah, because I think I'll have an indicator for, like, the range of it, and I will have it scale based on the size as well.
Hmm.
So if you put a size sticker on it, it'll increase
Yeah.
the range.
Should be a little. We should be a little careful with that. Making there be a range indicator, because the turret doesn't necessarily need that, because the reason you have indicators is for player information. So like with the soul projector, it makes sense because
Yeah.
it's like this is the area
My
that you get
thought-
affected.
Mhm.
But for a thing like the turret, maybe only when you place it down, it should do like a little circle, and then it should go away.
That's a
because
good idea.
yeah, because it's
Yeah.
like the enemy.
Yeah, my
isn't
main
going to
thought
do
was, like,
anything
so that way you know if you put a size sticker on it, it upgrades the area.
Mhm.
Because I think that's not super clear immediately. But I think that's okay as long as they figure it out once they place it.
Yeah. So yeah, I think having it be a like an area that just kind of like pops in for like a moment would be fine
Yeah.
enough.
That's a good idea. Okay. Sprite 2D. It'll be rain
And then this will also
Gradient texture.
based. Why does this care
So
about
when the Salmon Storm buff update releasing, you will never get a Salmon Storm buff.
Never.
Okay, maybe that's not true. Just put stickers on it. Automatically makes it better.
That's like
I mean,
kind of true.
It literally is true.
Okay, what was I doing today? I was gonna make
Not
enemies, but I
interact
just
with
moved shit
stickers and
around.
stuff. Yeah, that's okay. That's like what I do most of the time, so you're fine.
What do you think about this? What do I want to change now?
I don't know.
Ground guy. Oh yeah, did I ever make the ground guy fall through the fucking ground, like drop through platforms, or did I just like find out that there was a bug and I went
You just
and fixed
imagined that in your head.
I think I did. I think that's what it was. Eat room, add sword. Oh, because I fucking set the start scene to start room and not level. Oh, I think there's something I'm fairly certain they're adding next update, which is if you're editing a scene, you can right click on the name in the top and then select like set main scene, which is terrific.
It is terrific.
That's terrific. Okay, there we go. TP to room 1. Hello. Hello, room 1. Add card, not add card. Spawn dickhead. Yo dickhead. Up. Can you fall down? You cannot fall down. Okay. That's fine. Fire. Round. Round. Enemy fire. There we go. One of these days, I'm gonna change the names of those scenes to be like meaningful names.
Yeah.
Or at least make them
Today's not
consistent
that
with each
day.
other. Mm-hmm. Oh, I accidentally started the room. I didn't want to do that. Oopsies. I need you to do this. Wait. Wait, does this extend enemy state? Oh my god, this does. Wait, do all of these extend enemy state? I should totally make a function in here that's like... that just sets the drop through information. Imagine if I did that, that'd be so smart. I think all three of these are doing the exact same thing, yeah. Well, not you.
We finally eating the furry noodle.
What the fuck?
No.
Please don't talk about Vor in my chat. Thank you. Sorry.
Okay.
My fault.
This is your fault.
Yeah. So what do you mean are we eating the furry noodle? What does this mean? this be called? Like update drop through, perhaps? Maybe. And then I can do this and say yo dog. Oh no, I guess like update. Well, yeah, fuck it, I'll call it that. Whatever. Who cares? I don't care. Scolding him? What do you mean? I would never in my entire life, if I was going to scold someone, refer to that as eating them. Like, ever.
Wait,
Hmm. Hmm. God, I love Caves of Cod. I love Caves of Cod. I'll probably end up making a... Or I'll probably end up starting a roguelike project at some point whenever I'm done with Dante 9.
brother, you are making a roguelike project.
No, like a real one, you know? Like a real roguelike.
What do you mean a real one?
Like a real roguelike.
What do you
Not
mean a
like this
real
shit,
one?
whatever the fuck this thing is.
Hey, hey.
What?
Okay,
Yeah. That's what I thought. Oh.
sorry,
Oh, okay. Yeah.
my bad,
Yeah,
gang.
yeah, okay. No, yeah, whatever, man. Who even cares,
We're
dude?
so regular.
Who even cares, man?
Uh-oh. Oh, excellent, I made an equipment. Silly me. You are a summon card, twin. Start summoning your card, twin.
Oh my god, does he work now? Wait. I need you to... Okay, this guy is like literally useless whenever I'm on this platform, and I don't... It's something we probably want to fix at some point. Also, you should not be easing
Well,
out.
he's just dumb.
Flip.
Nope. I did something wrong.
Oh, hi, Callie. Come on, bye-bye. Yeah, come on. Hi.
Biddy, are you watching?
Yeah. Oh, dude, he's got a hat. Holy shit. Oh, shit, dude. His hat is ethereal. Someone didn't update any of the collision masks or layers.
I forgot you have to do that.
Yeah, you should also lock the rotation, probably.
Yeah, that too. Lock rotation, hit that, and collision. I don't think we want you to be on a layer, do we?
Oh, shit. We do have a layer called player attacks. I don't know if that's something we want to keep, but it is a thing.
Yeah, that's for like the hitboxes, I think, or like the hurt boxes. I don't know.
Yeah. It is.
and the turret itself is not like a hurt box. So. There we go.
Okay, cool. That guy runs back and forth now. Sick. And then he should also drop through platforms now. So if I stand up here with you... Oh, there he goes. I lied. Apparently. Didn't realize that. Apparently I lied. Oh yeah, no, he just always falls through platforms. That's kind of cool. Why? I thought that you're... What? Oh no, Master Liberty is spamming pause now.
Uh-oh.
Can also be used to mean get them, all depends on the context. In Titanfall, it means some jerk is playing Monarch and running battery execution, where you say eat them to tank damage. Lots of eating things when playing Titanfall on console. JW, can you confirm or deny these statements made by the utterly deranged?
Yeah, I mean, I haven't played Titanfall enough to really know, but I'd say sure.
This guy, like, preaches about Titanfall and he's never played it before. That's crazy.
Honestly, I think I played the campaign more than I have, like, the multiplayer. Because I'm just bad at it. I'm not bad at it, I just, like, am not good at it.
I'm not bad at it, I'm just, like, bad at it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Dude, why did you fall through? You shouldn't be doing that. Collision mask. Or equaling in this. Should drop is if it's greater than that. Oh wait, is this backwards? How the fuck does this work on the slime? What the hell? Set drop through. I want to drop through. This should be the other way around, but I also don't know how this is working ever.
You're wood tier, aren't you? What, I don't know what that means, twin.
Shit. That's what it
yes.
means. It means you're shit.
Yeah, is that like the rank below stone?
Dude. Rivals of Aether 2 reference.
I love how there's a stone rank.
It's actually so great.
It's really funny.
There we go. Oh, what the fuck was that? What was that? Why did he do that? Something went wrong. And it was honestly pretty cool. And I don't know why. We don't have physics interpolation turned on anymore, do we?
Probably not.
I hope not. Or I kind of hope we do, because that would be a really easy fix. Ah, fuck. Okay. I'm going to write down the time, and I'm going to go back and look at that bug later.
Okay.
Although, actually, I'll pull it up on YouTube right now, just so it's not like... So you also know what happened.
Okay.
So you also... Oh, that's my voice, too.
You,
Brody. So I put a slime on the screen. Let's see, where is he? Yeah, I spawned out a slime right here, and by chat. So if you watch this slime, I dropped down at some point, apparently. Right here? Yeah, so he does some weird shit where when he lands... Where is it? Show it to me. Oh, did it not show up on stream? Really? Okay, cool. I guess it just did.
Bro, just making stuff up.
No, I swear it happened on my screen. Oh yeah, there it was. It just doesn't...
I didn't see it.
So if you watch, whenever the moment he lands, there's like a bunch of particles that fly across the screen. I don't know if you saw it.
I didn't see it.
Let me put it in slow-mo, and then I'll see if I can pause it on the right frame. I don't know where the fuck that frame was, but apparently it wasn't there. I'm hitting the frame by frame button, and I'm hoping that it... Oh, there we go. Right there. Do you see that?
Can't tell if that's the.
I can't either.
'Cause those don't look like the.
They don't. It is
Yeah,
very
that would
weird.
look
I don't know who the fuck it belongs to, because I don't think it's those guys.
It looks like it's almost like the spark particles.
I wonder if it could be that guy that just went off screen to the right there.
Oh, which guy?
Somehow. There's a fire ground guy that goes off screen right
Oh
here.
yeah, maybe. Let's see it. Yeah, because it's at like the exact level that he's at. I think.
So then the new question is,
It could be something with like his like visibility rect.
yeah,
Could
that's
be,
what
like,
that's my
off,
thought.
that's
Is
breaking
I'm like,
stuff.
these particles do not have their visibility rect at all. I'm just gonna generate them.
Like how most of them don't. Because I didn't know that was a thing you were supposed to do.
This guy also does not have a visibility rect at all. Oh, that's definitely wrong, but whatever, dude, you got it. Pop off. I'm sure it's rendering it weird because it's a particle system, but I think that's right. Okay, that works though. Gonna be a fun bug to reproduce. Yeah, we're just gonna hope that it doesn't. We're gonna hope that it never shows up again. There was actually a bug for the longest time that was related to particles. The door particles would move upward, and that would cause a lot of issues because Godot really didn't like scaling and rotating particles. And so whenever the doors close, let me go ahead and show this. They have like these red particles on them. Those would actually go from a scale of 0, 0 to a scale of 1, 1 and also move up. And when that happened, that would just cause the particles to just stretch across the entire screen for like a frame or two. Still don't know why that happened, but we stopped scaling the particles. How many enemies are based on the furry noodle? None of them, I don't think. We should turn the worm boss into like a cat worm. Wait, he could be a tempura cat. Dude, the tempura cat could be a boss. That's crazy.
That'd be crazy.
Okay, so ground enemy guy works now and moves around. What was I gonna do? I wanted to make this thing. I want to make this a little bit more modular, and I don't really know how. Hi, Callie. Hi, Budley. Just turn all the enemies into cats. That's true. That's actually so true. We should make all the enemies like mice and dogs, so that to win you have to like beat up all the dogs as a cat. Actually, you know, I'm gonna rant for a second about society. Society's so fucked up, guys.
Did you know that in Chinese? Sorry.
Society's so fucked up because if someone's like, oh, I don't like cats, society's like, oh, that's fine. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Cats are just like, you know, whatever. It's fine. But the second you go, I don't like dogs, society goes, you're a fucking monster. How can you not like dogs? What do you mean you don't like dogs? And I think that either they are both reasonable or neither of them are.
Yeah.
It's like, I A lot of people that don't like cats, the reason they don't like cats is because they don't understand body language, and they don't want to receive the consent from the animal to receive petting. Because cats are consent-based creatures, you have to like make sure they want to be pet, or else they're gonna let you know they don't. But dogs are just like easy love. That's why I think that people don't like cats. It's because they don't feel like
I need a cat.
they don't feel like putting in the work. They just want the easy love. And honestly, bit of a red flag if you don't like cats.
Where am I doing raycasts in code?
Why are you doing a
again?
raycast? Oh,
I need to check if there's something between the enemy and the player, or in the turret.
yes. So
That's just the easier way to do this.
you do have a component that you made a while back that I've been kind of working with called a raycast check.
Yes, that's right.
That does have a no, you can just go. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Add new node. Raycast check.
Yeah.
Yep, and then set the mask for the enemy. Or yeah, sorry, the ground. Actually, I don't even think that's being used anymore.
Are you sure? Sure
The mask. Oh, it is. Okay.
The mask?
Yeah, it is. I thought that it was being.
That's what the point of the mask is.
Yeah, I thought that it was just using the the util thing because I have the ground mask in here, but I guess that uses the drop through.
Yeah.
Whatever. Yeah. So that has a function that just takes in 2 positions and it'll tell you if it hits the ground.
Takes in a hitbox. What's the hitbox?
Takes in a hitbox? It shouldn't take in a hitbox. Fuck. Taking a hit. I guess it takes in a hitbox. Weird.
That actually works fine because I'm getting the hitboxes.
No, you're not. You're getting the bodies, but
it's the same though.
They're not the
right.
same. But
so I won't get overlapping areas.
Yeah. If you wanted that, you can do get overlapping areas. You can also just use the function if you wanted to use bodies. You could do get raycast. But yeah, I would probably recommend using the hitbox. Anyways, because you're gonna need that anyways to do damage.
Well, I'm not directly dealing damage to them.
Oh, I guess that's true. That's fine. Just use the hitbox, yeah.
Yeah.
Because then if we want like an enemy that spawns like things that can be shot at, that have I don't fucking know.
Yeah, that's fine.
Or if there's enemies that aren't like character bodies or whatever.
So we want to store.
Cats tend to like me because I tend to be indifferent to their presence. They seem to appreciate not being randomly grabbed. Yeah. That's why a lot of, like, cats hate children, is because children just, like, they're like, oh, I pet my dog. I can pet this thing, too. And it's like, no, you can't. You gotta, like, you gotta have a conversation first. Like, me and my cat have a lot of conversations. Like, whenever I take her out on walks at night.
Bro talks to his cat.
Mm-hmm. What am I doing? I'm just kind of like sitting here, like scrolling through code. Okay, we're back to this. Yeah. All right, lock in. First count is 3. Because this sets the shot interval count and spread from the enemy down to the attack, but I don't. That's like fine-ish. Oh, this also does that. Okay, that's fine, I guess, mostly. Yeah, okay. And then I also want to change this because this has an export var, which is not what I want to do. I want to change this to be a thing that whenever this enters, there we go. So that works, I think.
Okay, I think this might actually work.
Yay!
Maybe. I don't know.
This grabs this. This will also grab this here. Instead of being an export variable because I hate having to export things. Also, you should be below this. Also, why the fuck are you an on-ready? In what fucking world are you an on-ready? No, bad. Very bad. You are an export var. You have been promoted. Why are you an export var, actually? Are you doing anything? You ain't doing shit, dude. Get out of here. You're dead. Goodbye. Air attack, range armor. Well. How long have y'all been working on this game?
Theoretically, this should work.
I have been working on it for about 8 months now. He has been working on it for about 1.5 years. He's the artist. I am program.
I am program.
Explore generic attack aim state. This is a generic attack aim state. What the fuck are you talking about, dude? This literally is as generic as possible. Why did I write this?
Oh.
Huh? Why did it crash? You didn't assign an export variable, right?
That's not nice.
Mm,
It's always this littlest thing.
it's always, dude.
Call it bitlytic the way it's the littlest thing.
What does that even fucking mean, dude?
It means you're little.
I'm not.
Guy. You literally are.
Dude, I don't get it, man. Who the fuck are you? Oh. Oh.
Or it was like 5'3".
I'm literally not. I would enjoy being shorter. I think that'd be cool. I said it. Oh, enemy attack state is probably what I want this to be called. Duh. Enemy attack state. Or, yeah. Yeah. You don't have a whole lot of common states, do you? No. I'm going to put this into a subfolder called state. And this is going to be the beginning of
I'm
the generic enemy
realizing
code. What's up?
that I think something's not working here. It's only picking up the worm for some reason. I don't know why.
Can you
This guy's not getting picked up. The one that worm shows up, it picks him up.
can you show me the where are you
It might be
where are you
because
doing
I'm
no enemy?
doing the
Or like where are you printing it?
here.
Yeah, so I would say break that if you want to find out why, like break it down into different things, like find out what enemies it's seeing, because it could be a get overlapping areas issue, or it could be a raycast check issue.
I think it's the overlapping areas.
Well, there's an easy way to check that. Put a print statement that shows all the enemies that are there.
We just change it to get overlapping bodies.
No, that's not going to work. Okay. Being big can be great. Sometimes you just want to be little. No, really. Oh, is that why the furry noodle gets upset when you pet them without talking to them first? That makes a lot more sense. They are simply paranoid. I don't think.
What does include area do?
Include areas?
Yeah.
So if include
This
areas
returns a dictionary.
Yeah, don't
It's
worry
not
about
what I
it. You can
want.
just do an if check on it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so include areas is if you want it to fail on areas that are collided with. By default, you want it to just be false because the ground is not an area. The ground is a collision body thing.
Yeah.
Static body. Yeah, I don't know if JW's ever been pet. I don't even know if JW's ever been hugged, to be honest with you. Have your parents hugged you,
Wow,
JW?
okay. Yeah.
When's the last time?
I don't know, probably today.
Probably today.
Yeah, this doesn't work either. Twin. Oh, did I set the wrong layer? Maybe that's why.
Also, like, it's insane that you're just printing that out. You can just print out the enemies that are being, like, overlapped.
Don't worry about it, Twin.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, I want detection. Sorry. You are currently looking for enemy hitbox, which should be right. Yeah, now that I think about it, yeah, it probably should be areas.
What am I doing? Why am I sitting here and just, like, not doing anything? You. Generic enemy attack state. Sick. Which means that I can go... Oh, I need to make the attack register as this. You are not... You have a ready function? You don't. That's fine. You know what I'm doing after stream? I'm doing something real cool after stream.
You're playing Cogmind.
I'm playing Cogmind.
Okay, maybe it is working. See it. I think I know what's happening.
A pretty
know
good
what's
idea what's happening.
What's happening?
Can you go to the 2D scene view? Can you zoom in? Okay, so the... Okay, not that far, not that far. No, that's too many fucking... What is the thing? Oh my god. I forgot the meme. Whatever.
You and I put too much half and half in an old man's drink at like 6 a.m.
Yeah. Can you...
Yeah.
So here's what you can do if you want to debug this. Is go to script. Like go to the actual script. So it's obviously getting the correct enemies, right? And it looks like it's just failing on raycast checks, which means that it is hitting the ground whenever you don't expect it to. So likely, wait, actually, can you go back to the script again? Closest is null. Oh god. Oh what the fuck are you doing? You are recalculating distance a lot. Enemy.owner.
Because I want to set. I'm setting the target as the owner, which is like the base of the enemy.
Why?
So this is the hitbox. This is the
Yep.
hitbox.
So why are you doing that?
So that way the target is the actual enemy.
Does that matter?
Potentially, I don't know, but I'd rather it be the actual enemy than the hitbox.
Well, if you want to do that, let's do a couple of things first. I'm gonna put you on screen because we're gonna do a little bit of code stuff. Yep. So, first thing is, so what you're doing here is you're seeing if we've already assigned closest, you check the distance from the enemy to your position, and then you compare that to the closest position to your position. Which means that every single time you're recalculating the distance, you don't need to. So what you would want to do is you would do like min distance or something, or closest distance or whatever. And then you would set that to infinity, because everything is guaranteed to be lower than that. And then you would check on line 51 if you want to kick down a new line. You don't have to remove that. Or actually, yeah, never mind, you should. Yeah, bring that out into a variable. Bring enemy.globalPosition.distance too.
Oh, why?
Because you're gonna have to reassign it. So just like, so do like var dist equals that. And then replace that there.
But I don't see
Okay,
what we're using.
and so now inside of the if check, whenever that is assigned, so whenever you do if dist whatever, you're gonna do min distance equals dist. Because you're gonna have to, you want to keep track of the closest enemies, like distance.
Where am I putting this on?
So new line.
I'm so dumb.
That's
Here?
okay. Yep. Min distance equals dist.
Oh yeah, okay.
So yeah, you're
That makes
starting it
sense.
off as like infinite. And then you
Yeah.
can also get rid of that else statement now.
Yeah, okay. That doesn't really change anything though. It just makes it nicer.
It makes it a little easier to like reason through, because it removes any sort of like, are there logic errors with our distance checking?
Yeah.
So now the question is it hitting the raycast on everything? So if you wanted to check if the raycast was hitting like the ground when it's not supposed to, you could bring the raycast check out into a different variable and then log that with the enemy as well.
Yeah.
And I think if you would, actually, I don't know, do enemies have their name? I believe they do. Like if you log them, because you could be able to do like you can do a comma and then pass in the enemy into that log call.
Just hope it works, you know. Well, that's working.
Yeah, the ones that it was failing with a lot was the grounded guys whenever you had a level with a bunch of like steps and shit.
Yeah. Yeah, it might have just been some kind of logic error. Seems to be working fine now. Because it like wasn't working with the eyeballs earlier either too.
Yeah. It could have been.
It looks like it's working fine. So
Yippee.
I'll say it's working fine.
There was also the issue of the old code had like some optimization issues because you were recalculating the distance every single time you were checking when you already knew the distance to the closest enemy.
Yeah.
But that's like mostly minor. Let's see. What am I doing? Enemy attack state. You register yourself. Does this work? I actually don't know. I should find out. I should also take my screen off of yours. Give me my stream back. So watch that. Do you attack? Do you work? Oh shit. You do. I'm actually like,
Whoa,
why the fuck does he work? He's not supposed to is the problem. Oh, because it's still doing the timeout. Okay, I see. Yeah, you should be... Repair finished. I'm seriously about to make a util function to connect a signal, like, that does this check to see if it's connected.
I'm gonna take a break for just a second. I will be right back.
Alright, good luck.
Win.
Yeah, so this should be fine. So this will connect to that, and then I also want to have the exit function disconnect it. So if it is connected, we will disconnect. And then up here, actually, this is supposed to be an if not connected. So it should be console.print attack prepared. Right. Hopefully. This is actually, this won't work. He should stay in preparing forever, I think. Hopefully. If he doesn't, I'm going to be a little sad. Okay, cool. Yes. And the reason for that is because this thing is supposed to have a finished signal emission. So you, at the end of this, don't have any function call. Yeah, okay. We'll add a function call. There's not like a signal emission track, is there? No, that's okay. I'll actually have a function here called func finish prepare. Yeah, or finish preparation, probably. Finish prep. No. Attack prepare to dot emit. So what this will do is we will have a function call here called finish preparation, so that at the end of this animation, this will emit the signal, which means this guy can leave the attack state, or leave to go into the attack state. So spawn enemy, this guy, so he should dash towards me, start attacking, or start preparing, and then attack. Nice. Sick. Well, I guess that raises the question, is there really a difference between the attack or the preparation states? Kinda, I guess. I think they should be separated just for the fact that They're really not that different, to be honest. Oh, I guess... Sorry, I clicked on the wrong one. So I can have this use the new function that I made. Let me actually move this down. Let me look at what makes these functions different, because it's not a whole lot. It's kind of just like one of them is using the prepare signal and one of them is using the attack finish signal. So this attack state doesn't really care about anything going on here. It just wants to grab the attack. Listens for finished and then do attack. This updates the aim direction every frame. This one, I don't know why the fuck you care about stats. You shouldn't. You enter, you grab the attack, prepare the attack, you connect to that. The only difference is you're doing a null check on player, which I guess you shouldn't for now. If that ever becomes null, we're having a larger issue than just that. Yeah, see, these are like literally the exact same things. This should actually be not inlined like that. Yeah, literally the only difference is one of them isn't, like, they're using different signals. That's not amazing. I would like to break these out into two different...
Okay, Twin, I'm back.
Welcome back.
I was sitting funny and my back's hurting. You can stop shrimping.
And
Shrimp maxing.
shrimp maxing. What do I call this? Enemy aim state. And you can have an export bar as a treat, which is lock aim, which is set to false by default. So if our aim is not locked, I want you to update your aim to the player. And then I guess same thing with you. These are literally the exact same state, except with a different signal. Yeah, honestly, the ground guy could probably use these two states as well, because they're generic enough. And then I'm curious, does the enemy slash extend enemy attack? You don't. You should. I actually feel really good about doing this. I've been wanting to go back and update some of these in for a long time, to be honest. Because this has been a very, not tech debt, but like gross implementation of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, I think I can make the... I can get rid of this export in a second. But I can make this... Since this extends enemy attack, I can grab the function's repair attack. Which will play this animation. And the function do attack, which will actually do the attack.
Oop, I was on Biddy Vision this whole time.
Let's go. Fire.
Evil.
Fire. How long is this whole time? Like, while you were AFK, I'm assuming?
Like, since I got back.
Oh, okay. It'd be kind of funny if it was just like the entire stream, actually.
Yeah, that would be really funny. Definitely.
That'd be so funny. So haha, so hilarious.
So silly.
Hi, what kind of game is this? Imagine Enter the Gungeon. But instead of top down, it's like side view, kind of like Terraria. And instead of grabbing guns, you grab cards. And those are your weapons upgrades and sort of like buffs. And you play them in real time, and they augment
working.
And they augment how things work. So this is I'm using an op, and if I give myself mana, I can swap that out by equipping a different card, and then now I have this thing, which spawns bees whenever it explodes. So those are kind of your weapons. There's also like different upgrades, like energy drink, which makes you attack faster, or certain things that you can spawn that give you like mana. Is this in front of the player? This is in front of the player. I don't know if it should be.
Okay, it's still not working. Something's not working. As you can see.
Can I see? How can I see?
It's saying no enemy, no enemy, no enemy.
I see that you have the turret kind of like... Is the turret supposed to be aiming right now?
Yes,
okay.
It's supposed to be aiming at the closest enemy currently.
Remove the raycast check and see if that changes anything.
Okay.
Like just the if check call.
Yeah.
I actually don't think you'll need to tab it back.
Yeah.
Which is gross, but for now.
I think you're right, twin.
Ooh, card systems are cool. There aren't enough of them anymore. I'm so happy you have that opinion because it's like... there are so many fucking card games. I don't know if I can agree with the opinion, but I'm happy that you have it because it helps us a lot.
My issue is they're all just like
it's
Slay the Spire, but
yeah, this is not Slay the Spire.
Like,
we use
that's my
cards
issue.
because it's something that you can recognize. It's something that you know.
Yeah, no, it's still not working.
Okay, it's not working.
Or is it? It might be that I'm just not calling it right, possibly. Oh, wait a second. I know exactly why it isn't working.
Why isn't it working?
I should be able to just, I put this in the spot. Aim needs to be up here. There we go. Now it should work. Fire. And now it will always aim at the closest enemy. Now let's see, can I add the raycast check back in?
You don't have to highlight the whole line, by the way.
It looks like it is working.
Oh.
No.
Yep, that's working.
Maybe.
Yep. Nope, that's working. Yep.
Maybe it didn't update. Let me restart the game. Maybe
It
it's
does,
something.
but yeah, no, that's interesting.
Oh, also my cursor. Oh, no, it's back. Never mind. I thought my cursor disappeared.
Yeah, it
Someone
disappears
did
when
say.
you die.
Okay, someone mentioned or messaged me on TikTok saying that there was a bug where when they died, they couldn't click on the buttons.
No.
I'm assuming their cursor just disappeared.
Maybe, yeah.
Do we still have the bug where, like, if you're selecting the card and things happen, it... My thought was that they were selecting a card as they died. Like, they were holding down to select a card.
That's a good question. I don't know, actually. Let me set the player to low HP and spawn in a dude. I'm fairly certain I fixed that bug to where if you die...
Okay, I thought you might have, but I was like...
When you're selecting a card,
likely.
Me. Guess we'll find out. Nope. Still in slow motion. Oopsies.
Okay, now it's not working. I don't know what is. So yeah, there's something weird with the raycast, I think.
don't know why. Maybe.
Where with the raycast?
Okay, now what? Why are you aiming? There's nothing in your range. Hello? What are you doing?
Oh, wait. Wait. Can you go back to your code?
Is it backwards? Should it be
It
if
is,
not
yes.
raycast?
Yeah, because it means did it hit something?
Yeah, there we go. Okay, yeah, that's working. Yeah, okay. That's sick. That's very cool, actually.
Yippee! Oh, you're a web dev and you just started on the Ultimate Godot introduction tutorial video of YouTube. Any tips for a game dev beginner? What kind of project did you start with? Any resources? All right, everyone, tap the sign. Tap the sign. Say it with me now.
Sign.
Say it with me now. What is
20 games challenge.
20 game challenge. Yes. So here is the 20 game challenge. 20 games challenge, GitLab.io. Basically, you go here to the challenge, and you start with Pong or Flappy Bird. These are simple games, but they teach you a specific part of the engine. And then you go down, and then you continue onward. You don't have to use these exact games, but this is like generally like the kind of building upon each game. And these will let you kind of focus on a specific part of the engine. And this is not, it's not bound to any engine. So if you want to take this and do this with Unity, if you want to do it with Bevy, if you want to do it with
Unity,
JavaScript code, you can do that.
Sorry.
But these will like build on each of them. You don't have to go the entire way because at the end it says Minecraft or Portal. You don't got to do that. But it's like, you know, at some point you will start to feel confident in your ability. And that's kind of when you can be like, okay, I want to do something else. But that's just a general guideline because this will take the design aspect away and it's only on the development side of things. Maybe I should make a short about that so that I can like actually tap the sign. Oh, big fan of taps the sign. What am I doing? I did something with enemies just now. You. I need you to do this. That would have been helpful several months ago. Yeah, many such cases, unfortunately. That kind of happens always. I love making some shit in Godot and like spending a lot of time only to find out that like the game engine just already has a solution for that.
Uh-oh.
Like JW's looping audio player thing that literally just exists in Godot kind of.
I still don't know how it works because you haven't explained it.
It's fine. It's honestly a little
Yeah.
weird, to be honest, but
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you could probably even make like if you want to make like a custom node for it that just has it all set up.
Yeah,
where you
I
just
would.
put in the thing that you want to loop, and then it auto generates it.
Yeah, I would do that because I wouldn't want to
Kind of like what we
set
have
that up
now.
every single time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, I would have probably honestly, for the audio loop thing that you have now, how does this work again? Audio. Where is this at? The laser pointer has the audio loop player. Why does this have... What was the purpose of this again? This thing has like an audio stream here, but then sometimes you added like children to it. What was the purpose of that again?
So that way I could set like custom parameters for the audio streams, like making the range really big, because audio stream 2D does not inherit from audio stream, so I can't make audio streams.
Okay, I see. Yeah. So
not audio stream player, sorry.
Yeah, so I think what I would have done for that, just as like for future thing. So you've got these set up here, which is cool. But you could have also had like a at export var like spatial, so that if this is set to true.
Yeah, that's something that I thought of doing, but I was just lazy.
Yeah, that's fine
because it's a lot easier to just add.
Yeah.
2D ones, twin.
Yeah, but then you later have to add in your own 2D ones and then make the range really large, because that's like a weird workaround. So just like a for future thing. Let's see. So what? So this guy, I need you do this. You're gonna be like really fucking pissy, aren't you? I think. Well, no. Yeah. Let's see. When attack ends, he goes back to follow. And if he goes back to attack, then I want you to set this to... That's a little weird to write, but it should be fine, hopefully. This might just work. That'd be sick. Oh, you crashed. It's fine. It doesn't matter that much. It doesn't hurt me that bad. And that's because you are an on the... So... Probably do this here, actually. Fuck it. Who needs already? You're gonna crash? Oh shit, dude, you keep moving! Oh, that's sick. I didn't expect that. Dude, look at him go. He's moving and grooving. Damn. There he goes. Yeah, why are you doing that, man? First of all, lock aim should be true. Second of all... I'm thinking that while you are aiming, you should probably have your movement locked. Take a guess. Oh, okay. Well, that doesn't...
Wonder if this will work. Will this just shoot a projectile? Because if it does, that's actually going to be pretty sick. I'm on Biddy Vision. I'm no longer on Biddy Vision.
Why does that double slash?
These work. Oh, that does not work. Oh, oops, I accidentally put the wrong scene in here. What is it? Base projectile.
Yes, I think. Probably. If you want the... Oh, wait, yeah. It would be player projectile, I think, right?
Yeah. Well, that...
I don't know, probably. I don't think the script has been parsed yet, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Actually, no, the script has 100% been parsed. I just don't know if it'll be updated.
Oh, it's shooting. Well, look at that. It shoots. It does 0 damage because I didn't set the damage, but it shoots. And I should be able to set all the parameters in the other thing.
Wait, couldn't you just update the card instance right now?
Probably, actually. Maybe, maybe not.
Oh, okay. If it's not something that's
Oh,
just
if I do
on
new one,
the-
yeah, it does work.
Yeah, so the damage...
If I spawn a new one, it does
I was
work.
assuming you'd be using the damage from, like, the card itself, which is what you should
Well,
be
because
doing.
it's not but it's not a attack card, so I can't change it. It's not an equipment, so we'll have to
no.
adjust that.
Yeah,
That's
I mean, you
fine
can
if you want to change
you
it,
can adjust
but-
that right now if you want. I'll just tell you what to do. It's the
Okay.
world's quickest change. Go to card instance.
Okay, I hate how it doesn't show you your
Or,
mouse until you...
Or sorry, go to cardres.gd. And then scroll up or control F for damage. Yeah. Can you on line 111 do a comma card type dot summon? There you go.
Okay.
Now you should be able to edit that in the card scene.
Kill you at be equal to card. Start image.
Yep, and then that should take into account like any damage upgrades and things.
Okay.
Hey viewers, get the fuck out of here. Get out of here.
Keep viewers, let's go. And yeah, I guess it's fine to just have the damage, and if we don't use it, like, there's nothing wrong with just having it there.
Yeah.
But I think that's, like, most everything. Let me go ahead and, give it projectile mod categories to see if that works. I'm curious what that will do.
Are you assigning the projectile you're spawning the card instance?
Oh, no, yes, it should be, because I just copied it from the other things. Yeah, card instance, equal to card instance.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, actually, I probably only want one, to be honest. For how my own game works.
Mm-hmm.
Dies. Bouncy ball. And do a negative just for fun.
Oh, buddy. Oh, pal. First off, you're facing the wrong way. Second off, why are you vibrating? Why the fuck are you vibrating?
Looks like it's working.
Oh, he's not. Is it just the renderer? It is the renderer. Interesting.
No.
Oh Oh, you know what I can do? Oh my god, flip sprite. Because there's so many things that are going to be using flip sprite now, I can actually just like... global... What is this, actually? Visual parent. Visual...
So that works.
global position is equal to... Actually...
I realized that I should make the shot delay instead the card instance. The active cooldown.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes?
So that way it can use the shoot faster stuff too.
Yes, it is active cooldown. This guy is upset because... Why is this facing the wrong way, actually? I'm actually a little confused. Oh, duh, because I was telling it to flip before, but now I can just... have this flip based on the direction whenever the attack gets prepared, I guess? I'm sorry, everybody. People might be getting...
What did you do?
I'm just sitting here and I'm coding and I've tuned it out, but like my mind just came back into focus for a second, and there really is just an enemy in the background, just like ding, ding, ding. Like...
See if you join my stream, you don't deal with that.
Yeah, but then you have to deal with whatever the fuck he's got going on over there, which is probably going to be Piku Niku soundtrack.
I don't
And,
actually
like,
have the
nothing
Piku
else.
soundtrack in this playlist.
You still haven't added that?
It's not in this playlist. I have another one that I sometimes use.
Oh, okay.
It's different. Hello?
What's up?
Bitlytic?
What's good?
Where did my
What do you mean weird? What?
Where'd my forge go? I can't click. I can't
Are you
click.
stupid?
I'm clicking. There's nothing
Okay,
happening.
can you do me a favor? Can you hover over the card and read the description for me?
I hate this game.
Really said, Bitlytic, the forge's not working. Yeah, dude, because we implemented sticker limits.
I forgot.
Dude, bro was so quick to blame me as if it was a bug. No, dude, that was something that we're fucking experimenting with right now.
It's late. I haven't played Counter-Strike yet.
Oh my lord. What?
Bruh, my weekly's reset half an hour ago. I could have gotten a case.
Oh wow, I'm so sorry, man.
I'm sorry.
Man, I'm sorry, dude. I'm so sorry that you're not getting your case.
Yeah. Wilson, are you in chat?
Wilson, save me, Wilson.
Save me, Wilson.
What in the fuck? Why does this say this is a safe line of code, but then like... Whatever, dude. I don't care enough. I do care, actually. I care so much.
It shoots so fast that the knockback just hits them straight out. And the bounce does work as well.
Oh, okay. So you just made it work with like fucking everything. I guess that's fair. Yeah.
Well, because it's the projectiles,
Yeah,
it
that's
just
true.
automatically works with everything.
Dude, imagine having a modular game. Gross.
I know. I am actually very happy with how well this works.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
I thought this was gonna take a lot to implement, but like, no, it took like a couple hours and I'm done.
yeah. And the biggest part of that couple hours was why my raycast not working. Hey dude, I just saw that you like turned
Yeah.
around. Why did you what? Huh? What?
What?
Oh dude, that actually like works so well that I'm fairly certain. Oh no, I couldn't. Oh no, I could. Wait, I totally could. Hold on. Wait. This would be really fucking cool if it works. You?
Oh, he's scheming up.
You don't matter. Oh my god, you don't matter. I can just do this, right? Like, you? And then just hit run? Does that work? That'd be kind of sick if it did. I won't lie to you. Oh, JW, look. The flying guy is now using the fucking ground guy's slash.
What the? I don't like that.
I don't either, but it's fun that it works. Which means that if I code this in the correct way, I could actually make it so that the ground guy could use the flying guy's fire, or like the whatever the fuck, the shooting.
I mean, you could try it. Could be fun.
Yeah.
You never know.
Who knows? Is this a movement driver? Is this like an actual movement driver? Enemy movement driver, extends movement driver, which does this shit. Do you have a ready function, buddy? You do. You call super. Dope. Do you have a ready function? You do. And you do also call super. You know what that means? That means that instead of exporting the fire movement driver, I can instead just grab that bitch. What do you need to do? You add knockback. This is a thing in like a base movement controller, right?
Alright, so
Let's try some. But you don't have a ready function. I didn't know that. Weird. Oh no, you
No
do have
ready
a ready
function.
function. You have a ready function. It's just like the base class. Super. Movement equals util get component enemy movement driver. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. If movement.
okay. Oh,
Now I think I could probably
be
go
fine.
here and do this. Find out if that works. I don't know if that will, but it'd be really cool if it did.
I don't know if that works.
Oh,
When
almost. Almost. It's because you have
Oh.
access to flying fire stats, which is a problem. How do I want to do that? I wonder. I might actually change this to be an export variable. Shot spread, interval, and count. What if I just like duct tape these for now?
Made the turret too good.
Hmm?
I said I made the turret too good.
Oh no. Why is that?
I'm trying to test to see if it can take damage, but it keeps murdering everything before it can take damage.
What does this return if there isn't? If the property does not exist, this method returns null. That literally doesn't make sense. You cannot have a variant be null. That's like something that Godot themselves said, didn't they? Null.
Oh wait, I
type
was so
nil.
confused. I was like, why is it only dealing 1 damage? But that's because player only takes damage in increments of 1.
Mm-hmm. This is true.
So
That will be an interesting thing to potentially look at.
I mean, that's fine. It's just that this guy's health will just have to work the same.
Fair enough.
It's also interesting because damage numbers show up for this guy as well,
Yeah.
which I guess is fine.
I mean, do you not want it to?
It's just a little weird when it's just 1, but like it's fine.
Hmm.
I don't see like a big issue with it. But that does work.
I wonder if this will work. This would be like really cool if it did. Let's find out if we crash. Because it'd be kind of cool if we did. Wait, why are you yellow? Why are you upset? You're overshadowing an already declared variable at line 16 in the current class. Apparently that was already defined. Oh yeah, it was. I don't know why. These literally aren't being used anymore. Whatever, get out of here. Go on with your bum ass. You know what enemy is, right? Like, you know what enemy is. You don't need to do like owner is enemy base. You can just do if enemy, or you don't even need to do if enemy. Whatever. If it have it crash, whatever. See if I care.
That's crazy.
What's returning null? It shouldn't. I don't know if it's going to return null. It's the documentation for the method get, which is in any object, returns a variant, but it also says that it'll return null if that isn't present. But as far as I'm aware, typically variant values cannot be null in Godot. The only exception is if they are typed as nil, which is different than null.
What is it?
It is,
Oh,
yeah.
words.
Trying to assign value if type nil. Okay, yeah, there it is.
don't know how Godot works, so.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Problem with that is that that returns lounge. Yeah, duck typing is like almost really cool. I just am not a huge fan of it.
Quack, quack.
Yeah, pretty much. Like, I'm fairly certain if I did this, this would not work. I guess we'll find out, but maybe it'll automatically, like, maybe it'll type coercion it into a 0, which would be quite nice and cool. The answer is it doesn't. Yeah, value of type nil. So, then I would do. I can't like cast you to end, can I? I don't.
Start is genuinely like OP.
Maybe that would work actually. Now that I'm thinking about that, I think that would work. Well, that shit carpentry the way it would work. Okay, it doesn't. I lied. Is there really no way to get a... If that property doesn't exist, this method returns null. You're a liar! You're a liar! Get indexed. Yeah, there's not like a... there's not like a has, right? Like there's not like a you have this method or this value. There's meta, there's method, and signal. There's not like has just for any value, which is fine, I guess. Oh, it's because of in Godot we use in, don't we? In. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, whatever, dude. I'll do it for now. Actually, like, kind of hate that. Whatever. This will not be a permanent thing, and I'll be adding a fucking note here that says, "Yo, dog, stop doing this eventually, please."
Why are these guys not taking damage from those projectiles?
Hmm?
They aren't taking damage from their projectile. I think I have the layers right. It's fine. Here's been easier. Oh, there we go. Now it's okay.
You should still work, right? Like, you're gonna be happy dandy, just fine. Oh, shit! Why'd you do that? Because I cast it to an int, so it did all 3 shots immediately. Don't do that ever again. Alright, thank you. And then you... Oh, that's fucking cool. Wait, JW.
Mm-hmm.
They're having role swap day at the office. Can you take a look at this?
What am I taking a look at?
They're having role swap day.
No, that just works.
It does, yeah. Sick.
Does it like work well?
It works well, yeah.
Do we like him like that?
Oh, does it work well as in, like, is this a good idea? No.
Okay.
But it does work.
Yeah. Biddy never has good ideas.
This is true. Like, dude, he aims and he fires. He takes his shot and it, like, works. And it's sick. It's, like, actually really fucking cool. Sick. Yeah, that's probably how some of this stuff is probably how we're gonna do enemy stuff in the future. I'd like to readdress this at some point, but for now I will just leave it to do that says stop duck typing. If it works, it works. It does works.
Works.
It's actually so cool because the way I have it set up, I actually had on the ground guy, he had both a slash and a projectile component. And then on the flying guy, he had both a projectile component and a slash. But because of the ordering in the tree and the way that the component system works, since the later one was added afterwards, it took priority because it was like further up the stack. Very, very cool. Very, very neat. Let's see. Okay. So ground guy worked. What did we want to do? Hops around, shoots bouncing fireballs. Okay. All right. Oh, it's fucking 10 o'clock. Never mind. I guess that's a Thursday stream thing. Probably. What's going on with you and how's things working over there?
I'm doing fine. This works. I just need to add like details and things like that, like
I just
when it
gotta add the game
dies,
feel.
things like that. So
Gotta add the game feel.
maybe
Oh
I'll
yeah,
do
I
that
wanted to.
tomorrow since that's like more fun to do. So I'm not
Yeah.
just like struggling through it. So I might call it there as well if you're getting tired.
Yeah, give me a sec. I gotta look for something though. 'Cause,
no.
Can you show me the guy again? Like the dude,
Which guy?
the turret.
The turret?
Yeah.
I mean, I just have it here like an ace, right?
No, like in game. Oh yeah, I guess that works too. I just wanted to like.
Turret. It's like not even close to the same thing.
Yeah. Well, that one isn't.
It's a turret that rotates.
Hold on.
That's like the only thing.
Hold on. Let me keep looking. There was one. What the fuck were they? It was something from Starbound, I think, that I'm thinking of.
Crazy.
Take a look at the Starbound wiki.
Starbound in the Big 25.
Dude, this game was like almost so fucking amazing. This game would have gone fucking crazy, like, if Chucklefish didn't give up on it. There was a
I'm chuckling it officially.
test drive. Test drive is a quest, and at the outpost. Where the fuck? At the outpost, you're supposed to tell me where this goes. The mech test course. Is there not a fucking page on this? Test drive. That's great, dude. What about the mech test course? Mech test course. You don't have a fucking thing that shows it? Whatever, dude. This game is good, but like, it's fine. I understand it.
Alright, bro.
Yeah, it's fine. I get
It's
it.
good. Proceeds to name the worst game of the century.
That's not even remotely close. If that was true, I'd be like, oh, this game is good. Rainbow Six Siege, you ever heard of it?
Yeah, it's pretty goated.
Rainbow Six is genuinely like probably one of the worst games ever made.
This is not true.
Yo, guys, you're gonna play like a 30-minute match. 15 of those minutes, or like 10 of those minutes, are gonna be fucking droning. Congratulations. What is droning, you ask?
Bro hates strategy.
What is droning, you ask? You roll around the map to find dickheads, but they like shoot your drones, and if they shoot your drones, you sit there and you watch other people roll around the map. And then you spawn.
Strategy.
And then you spawn, and if you didn't study the map, like outside, like on your free time, if you didn't study the map as if it was homework, surprise, you took a step to the right, and now your head is gone. That's Rainbow Six Siege.
Yeah, that is true. That last part is true.
Dude, spawn peeking is such a stupid mechanic.
It's kind of fun to be on like the other end of it.
Yeah, it's fun to be on a side where you get free kills. That's why people play Clarin. But like,
but like,
it's not a good design.
Once you get to a point, like
once you get to a point,
you learn where all the windows are, and you watch the windows.
Okay.
And it goes the other way. Where
so
you can shoot
once
the
you
guys
get
in the
to
windows.
a point, then it's expected that the people outside will not get spawn peeked, so the people inside won't spawn peek. So it is literally only something that affects new players. Very good game design.
Well, also they have it disabled in casual as a reason.
God
So that
forbid
players
new
don't
players
get
play
absolutely
ranked with each
murdered.
other. You worked at Ubisoft support, and the guy in charge of Rainbow Six Siege support played exclusively with a controller. Dude,
Also, I will say, as of recently, Siege has gone horribly downhill, and it's really bad.
that's insane
But, like, it
because
used to be
whenever I
fun.
played it, it had already gone downhill by virtue of being created.
It
So,
was still going downhill a bit, like when we played it, but it was better.
dude, they should introduce AI to Rainbow Six Siege. That would make the game so much better. For anyone who
Okay,
doesn't know,
we should
that's
probably end
sarcasm,
stream.
and I actually hate AI. Just letting you
This
know.
is true.
Before someone thinks, like, oh, fuck, I can't watch this anymore. We hate,
loves AI.
yeah, we hate AI around here. Dude, I still can't get over Jimmy. Fucking, someone joined my server, and Jimmy, one of my friends, one of JW's friends, someone was like, oh, Bitlytic hasn't uploaded in a while, what happened? And Jimmy was like, oh yeah, he's working on an AI slop game with at Tempura Cat Games now. And the guy was just like, ah, that's fucking stupid, and left. And I had to like message the guy and be like, hey, I'm not doing this because I like need people in my server. I'm doing this because I don't want people to think that I am an AI grifter. I fucking hate AI. And that guy was just joking. He actually ran someone off, dude.
I'm gonna kill him.
Yeah, by the way, we are at 963 outstanding wish lists, by the way.
Yep.
Yes,
So we
sir.
just need 40 tomorrow, and we will hit our goal.
Yeah, I'll maybe
So
make it
lock
short
in.
or something. All right. But yeah,
I'll
we
try to
will...
do some marketing tomorrow as well, yeah.
Yeah, we will be back on Thursday. Make sure to wishlist the game, I guess. If you found these streams interesting, you can
This
find
is
a
true.
link to that. Does the description of my stream have a link to it, actually?
It probably doesn't, because you're evil.
That'd be so funny if I didn't. Find it.
I'm pretty sure mine does. I'm almost certain mine does.
Let's see.
Mine
Oh shit, I
100%
do.
does
Dude, it does
somewhere.
have a fucking wish list.
Whoa.
Yep.
Bitlytic remembered to do
Yep.
something.
So if you look down in the description, there's a link to the Steam page. Go ahead and wishlist it if you want.
There should be a
Hello,
description.
Eternal Lord.
There
We are
should be
about
a
to end stream. I'm
description on
sorry.
my,
But yeah,
Well,
we will.
we'll be back Thursday.
Yeah, we will be back on Thursday at the same time, 6:30 p.m. EST. And we will likely have, I think Saturday, or not Saturday, Sunday, we will probably have everything that we want for this period, December to January 6th, whatever. Like the
That's not Sunday.
yeah, well, Sunday's the 4th, and then 6th is the Tuesday, so that's like the end of it. I mean, we can make the
Okay.
thing to the 6th, but I was like, we would
Yeah, I mean, yeah. So like by Sunday we hopefully have most of it, and
Yeah. I
by
do
Tuesday we can be publishing.
yeah, I do want to push an update to the playtest, like a final update before
Yeah.
we drop it for like the full whatever. Just because there's a
Yeah.
couple of like the
I'd say
crashes.
we could probably just add like a few of the things that we have from here.
Yeah.
That we're adding now.
And then we can also, because so much of it is like data driven, we can just like exclude certain things. But also like it doesn't matter. Like the rainy floor, we can just like say don't include that and it won't. So yeah. All right. Well, goodbye people. Good night. Thanks for stopping by.